Hello, everyone. Good morning, folks. Hi, everyone. Hello. Hi, Indumati or Kudeep. Hello, Neeraj, Ashish, Harshda, Atika. Hi, everyone. How you guys doing? A very good morning to everyone present here. We'll be waiting for a little more time for your friends to join in, and then we'll be starting. I hope you guys are doing good and you guys are full of energy because in today's session, I want all your energy in this particular session in learning this amazing kind of workflow, or I should say, kind of a trick to make your life easy to like create something very special, very unique. That's what we will be doing today. You can hear me, right, folks? I can see Rishi mentioning he can't hear me. Others saying yes, can hear. Perfect. So Rishi, could you please rejoin? Maybe like that could be a case. Folks are saying I am audible loud and clear. Perfect, perfect. For those of you who, like, if my voice is not audible, it could be a case that you have not connected to audio. So what you can do is you can try rejoining, or maybe like checking if your speakers are on or not. Sometimes this happens with me as well, that I sometimes forget to keep my speaker on. Perfect. I'm doing good. What about you guys? I was just waiting for like 2 more minutes for the other folks to join in. Meanwhile, we can interact. We can discuss about how you guys doing, about where are you from, and some stuffs about each other. So yeah, I'll start by introducing myself. So, hello everyone, I am Swapnil, and I'm currently working at Microsoft as a software engineer, basically a senior engineer, and I'm currently working with Microsoft Teams product. Some of you might have heard about Microsoft Teams. It's quite a new product of Microsoft, but it's doing really well. And apart from that, I'm a really passionate programming instructor. I host workshops on agentic AI, data science, Python. Some of you might have seen me in some of the earlier sessions, like Python, Power BI, data science, or sessions like this. So that's all about me. I am currently in Bangalore. So, yep. I can see a lot of folks saying Mumbai, working professionals, Bangalore. That's great to see. I just want to know about my audience as well. Where are you guys from? It's really great to see that you guys have joined on a Saturday morning, because most of the folks, working professionals, they tend to kind of rest a little on a Saturday morning. So thank you so much for joining this particular session. I can see folks are joining from Bangalore, Mumbai, Namma Bengaluru, yes, Namma Bengaluru, Muscat, Hamchi Mumbai, Noida, Hyderabad. Great guys, Chennai. Oh, Durgapur as well. Nice. By the way, my hometown is in Durgapur. Nice, nice. That's really great, guys. UAE, perfect. California, perfect. I can see most of the folks like literally has joined from all around the world, and that's really great to see. Yes, Avdesh, I shared one prerequisite document for this particular session. I hope you guys went through it. Even if you haven't, that's totally fine. I'll try to cover all the stuffs that were present in the prerequisite doc in the session itself. That was just to kind of keep you like yeah, small warm up kind of a thing. So yes, it's time now, and I think most of the folks has joined in. First of all, for the folks who has joined late, you guys haven't missed anything yet. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in on a Saturday morning, and welcome everyone to this session on build your own AI employee. And I'm Swapnil, your mentor for today's session, and we're gonna have literally a lot of fun in the next few hours. We'll literally be interacting a lot. I'll try to take questions from the chat, but try not to spam, guys. Otherwise, what will happen is like it will unnecessarily delay everything. But I'll try my best to take the questions from chat, and apart from that, also we'll try to interact as much as possible. We'll see how automations are built, and I have a proper format for this session. I'll be discussing the format for you, but before that, I want to see the energy. Are you guys excited for building your first ever own AI employee. Just think it like that. You literally will be creating someone who is working for you for free. Isn't it amazing? Can I get some EX in chat? EX in chat. Come on. I can see the energy flowing in the chat. That's superb. That's great. I want you guys to carry this energy till the end of this session. This session's gonna be long. I am warning you beforehand. This session's gonna be long, but I can promise you that if I have come here for this particular session, I will make sure by the end of this session, you are learning something new. Okay. It's not like after like learning so many hours, you have literally learned nothing. That will not happen. I just want you guys to follow along to be fully focused on this session. And that's how we're gonna run this session. So let's just get started. Let's go. Let me start sharing my screen. Perfect. We have got the perfect head start. Let's start with the session now. Just give me a minute. Perfect. Let's just get started now. So, this session, the name of the session, the topic of the session is Build Your Own AI Employee Part 1. This is the first session that we'll be doing by Swapnil. That's me. I'm a graduate from IIT ISM Dhanbad, and I'm currently working at Microsoft. I already introduced myself to you guys. Now, I have planned something like for this particular session, how exactly we'll be running these sessions. So, I have a proper plan for that. So the plan is like it's open for you guys as well. You can tell me if it's a good plan, like open to feedback. So what I have planned is for the next 1.5 to 2 hours, you have to follow along. You have to just watch and learn, okay, with full attention. This is what you need to do for the next 1.5 to 2 hours. Just watch and learn with full attention. Okay, it's like you have to see. I have also kept my phone like aside. I'm not using my phone. I have kept it in silent mode and I'm keeping it like aside. Now for the next 2 hours, the full focus should be on the session. Whatever I am teaching, you just have to follow along. You need not do anything. After completing this particular time, 1.5 to 2 hours, we will be shifting to another part of the session. Another part of the session. What is this part? This part is project hours. Okay, this is something that we introduced recently. So what we will be doing in the project hours, we'll be doing the same thing that we learned in the 1.5 to 2 hours. We will be building that thing, and we will be doing hands-on programming, hands-on, like we will be like doing the hands-on session, or you will be building with me. You will be building with me one by one. We will see each and every step and we will be building together. Okay, so for the first 1.5 to 2 hours, why exactly I have segregated this? Because in most of my sessions I have seen that what happens is I just go ahead, I teach folks, and at the end of the day folks understand everything but they are not able to implement in their machine, or while explaining only they try to implement in their own machine and they end up like missing some of the important sections. So I don't want that. So this is just a yes, practical you can call it, Ashish. This is just a proposal to you guys. Do you think this will be a good idea if we go ahead and first fully focus on learning the whole stuff, and then a dedicated project hours where we will be doing hands-on session where I'll be showing you how exactly things would be happening. Perfect. Yes, 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 yes. Perfect, guys. Thank you so much. With a lot of yes in the chat, with a lot of energy in the chat, we will go ahead and we will learn about automations today. Okay. So the session, as I already mentioned, is on build your own AI employee. Okay. What is AI employee? First of all, let's get a little bit of background details that how exactly these things are coming from. So most of us already know generative AI, right? Can anyone tell me what is generative AI? just to kind of get a little bit of head start. Just want to see AI that generates content, text, images. Very good, Mohammed. Very good, Ashish. Aarti saying AI being creative with pre-filled info creates text. Yes, generative AI is basically the AI that generates content. A very basic kind of a definition. That's it. I think that would be a good definition. So with the onset of generative AI in all over the world, we have seen many generative AI LLMs like ChatGPT and Claude. We have seen Copilot. There are so many different LLMs which are providing this generative AI stuff to us, right, these days. Now, what we thought is obviously human knowledge is obviously required, that when we have something, how exactly we can innovate it. So in order to innovate it, what we thought is, how about generative AI is a very generic kind of a person, like you can think it of as an expert, as an expert. But how about I am hiring an expert for my own job? It's like let's suppose you are a Java expert. Let's think it of not Java, Excel expert. Okay, you are an expert in Excel. Everyone knows Microsoft Excel. Everyone, like, just know. I'm not saying you should knowing all the formulas and all. Sabko pata hai, everyone knows what is Microsoft Excel. Perfect. So let's suppose there is a person who is an expert in Microsoft Excel, but I want that person to do the job that I have assigned to that person, like that is specific to my office or my firm. Let's suppose my firm is doing forex trading or like trading in stock market. So I want that person to be an expert in that particular domain, but that person is a very generic Excel genius or Excel expert. So what these days it has come is the onset of AI agents or AI skills has come. What do this mean? This means that I will be tuning that agent. I will be tweaking that particular agent in order to become expert in the job that I have assigned to that person. So that person being an expert, I want to what should I say? Tune him. You must have seen like we tune in like multiple radio or something. So in order to get the best, so we will instruct, will tune, will tweak in order to get best out of that person. Same thing happens over here. Yes. Same thing happens over here. Yes, Shantanu and Manoj. We have to make sure that the AI agent that we have to make sure that it is well equipped with everything in order to do my job. And if a AI agent is well equipped with the whole thing, that whole thing is known as a workflow. Because I have instructed that AI agent that you have to work in this particular workflow. You are a genius, but you have to start by listening to someone's conversation, by listening to my command that, hey, AI agent, create an Excel sheet. So the AI agent should be well equipped to listen. AI agent should be well equipped with my Excel, my Microsoft account in order to create an Excel sheet, right? All these resources it needs to be having, right? Do you agree with me? That if I will say just ChatGPT, if I'll go to ChatGPT and I'll say, hey, ChatGPT, create this Excel sheet for me, it will be creating a generic Excel sheet. But if I want AI agent to create an Excel sheet in my Microsoft account with specifications, then I need to tell him the workflow. I need to tell that AI agent what is the proper instructions that you need to do in order to serve this purpose. This is the whole thing. This is how we will be building AI employee of our own. Do you think are you getting that idea? Are you getting that feel that what exactly will be happening? Yes, 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 yes. Perfect, perfect. Great. PA without paying. Yes, Ardi. That's right. So that's what we'll be doing, and it's not like it's. You must be thinking, Swapnil. I have literally seen so many instructors, so many different edtechs claiming that we will be doing this with AI, we'll be doing that with AI. But this is not a fluke, guys. This is not something that I am saying that build your own AI employees. Then next is the coming future or something like that is really cool. It's actually happening. Why do I say this? Because I work for Microsoft, and literally in Microsoft, there are many projects are going on where they are literally adding AI agents as engineers. Just think it of like that, that the very fresher level engineers and all these things which are doing some bug fixes, which are creating some items and all these things will be done by AI agents. And they are actually reporting to someone. They are reporting to AI agents only. So all these things are actually happening. It's not like we are too early for all these things. No, guys. We are exactly at time. And I want one promise from you that after learning this whole thing throughout, you will be doing a small research on this and you will be start creating AI agents for business. This is not something that I am told to kind of tell you. This is just as a instructor, as a mentor, I am telling you, this is the future, guys. You can literally sell an AI agent after creating it. Because small scale companies, small scale startups, they don't have much exposure to all these things. So you can literally go to your maybe kirana store or something and tell them that, hey, whatever receptionist work that you are doing, you can automate this whole thing. Just think it of like that. You are in a kirana store. This example just came in my mind right now. Trust me that you are going to a kirana store, you are ordering something. You can literally create a voice agent which hears that orders and creates the whole billing system. So the whole idea of one person at reception is literally omitted, literally nullified. There is no point in having it. Yes? Perfect. So this is what we will be building and it will be super fun. Perfect, perfect. Great. Yes, you can use AI agent as a marketing team as well, Shakib. I saw some of the chats. Okay, Anamika is saying, doesn't that mean software engineering role is at stake? See, at the end of the day, when internet came, then also people were saying that the role of engineers of people are at stake. So see, all all these things are true till some extent. I agree, but at the end of the day, you need to make sure that the role of software engineers are at stake, but the role of generative AI software engineers are increasing. People are looking for engineers, looking for people who, not only engineers, anyone, looking for anyone who has good knowledge of agentic AI. So it just balances out everything. So that's how things works. AI need human brain to train the prompt the AI. Yes, I agree. AI can supplement your roles at work. We are doing the course. Yes, yes, Ashish, that is totally true. Obviously, you are doing this course in order to not get removed. That's the whole idea. Very good. That sums it up very like professionally. What about the people who don't have background in tech but learn AI? Yes, that doesn't matter because with the onset of AI, the tech savviness is literally decreasing. It's all about the new tools. If you know how to use these tools, you don't need to know all the coding stuffs, right? Because nowadays, what's happening is there are so many tools. These tools are literally mature till that extent that you need not know the rough coding part. You just need to know how to implement things. That's it. Okay. Perfect. With that, let's just move ahead. I think we had a very good discussion, and I always try to discuss these things. Why? Because if we are learning something, we should know why should we learn it. Okay. Otherwise, it will be just another session. We need to make sure that if we are spending hours in learning something, we should know the depth of it. We should know why this needs to be done. Right? Agree with me, guys? Perfect. Okay, so let's see what we will be building today. Let's see what we will be building today. Oh man, this is literally huge. What, okay, what we will build today. What exactly we gonna build? So we will be building an AI agent. Okay. What exactly this personal AI agent will be do? This AI agent will be a personal assistant of ours, like a PA, a personal assistant. Okay. I hope you guys are taking the screenshots and all. And even if you're not taking, that's totally fine. Everything will be provided to you. For now, just focus, enjoy the session, and then we'll be doing the project hours. Okay. So, what we'll be building? We will be building an AI agent. Okay. This AI agent will act as a personal assistant for you guys. What this personal assistant can do? Just, you only tell me what do you expect from a personal assistant? Let's see how much creative you guys can go. What you can expect for from an AI agent? Yes, it can set up meetings. Okay, it can set up meetings. It can organize your data. Okay, it can schedule meetings. Let me mention over here instead of meetings. Let me mention schedule meetings. It should send emails on your behalf. Agree? It should send email on my behalf. Agree, guys? Yes. Chat with me. Make calls. Okay, make calls is also one thing, but that is little bit security thing is there. But yes, that can also be done. Collect minutes of the meeting. Yes, that can be a thing. Minutes of meeting. Okay. Other things. Search for search in the web and give me results. Right? Search in the web and give me best results. Prepare reports, so many things, right? You literally want, I can see someone saying that give interviews on my behalf. That's super funny, isn't it? That you literally want AI agent to literally do everything. We humans are such a kind of lazy people, but trust me, I really like lazy people. Why? Because I myself I'm a lazy people. I'm a lazy person, and I literally have shortcuts to all these things. This is why lazy people rock in the world. But yes, I can see a lot of folks saying so many things. That's yes, work 24/7 on behalf of me, book tickets. You can literally automate so many things. So this is what similar to this kind of a thing is what we will be building today. But how exactly we will be building all these things? How? Yes, Jarvis. Vishal is saying, how many of you are Marvel fans? Marvel fans, Jarvis? You want to create Jarvis? Okay, perfect, perfect. We'll be creating Jarvis then. Okay. Yes. So now the question is how exactly we will be building this whole thing? How exactly we will be building this whole thing? How? You guys were literally so quick in saying that I want the chatbot to do this, that, and all these things. That how exactly this can be done? I can see a lot of folks saying N8N. So how many of you know what is N8N? I think you guys already had a session on N8N, right? Yes, already had a session on N8N. So you guys must be having clear cut idea of what N8N can do. Yes, I think session by Anushka. Anushka is an expert in this area, and I am pretty much sure that she instructed. But at the same time, even if some of you might have missed the session, so don't worry at all. Don't worry at all. I can see some of you have missed the session. I will make sure that I will explain N8N to you from scratch only. So trust me, that's even if you missed the session, that's totally fine. Are you guys finally ready to learn N8N? It's a amazing tool for creating AI agents. Even if you missed the session, might have not attended it that much, might have not learned much from it, I'll be explaining all these things. So let's start with N8N. Let's see how exactly we can create our own AI agent. Okay, perfect. So let's go to this website n8n.io. Everyone, for now you can just follow along. Okay, you need not do anything in your machine. You just see how things are happening, and then we'll be doing together in project hours. For now, just see, just watch and full attention over here. So what I did is I opened N8N and I clicked on sign in. Okay. When we click on sign in, there is an option to sign in, and it's already signed in with my account, and I am able to see in the home these are the workflows that I have created and all these things. So once you sign in into N8N, this should be your view. We will be doing it together in the project hours. That's totally fine. For now, just see that how exactly N8N looks like. Okay. You can see there are options of workflows, credentials, executions, variables, and data tables. What are these? Workflows means the automations, the instructions that I am creating in order to create our AI agents. These are the instructions that I was talking about, that we need to provide the AI agent, we need to provide our employee a proper workflow, an instruction that how exactly you need to work, and that we create in form of a workflow. What does workflow do? Workflow has multiple parts, that when exactly this employee should be activated. Like when I say, hey Siri, Siri gets activated. So it is created in a way. It is functioned. It is functioned in a way, Siri, that whenever I say, hey Siri, the Siri will start. You see my Siri getting started. Okay, perfect. So that's what we define in a workflow, that when you should start, what you should do. If I ask you this, then how exactly you should be acting. All these things we declare in workflow. What is credentials? Okay, everyone understood what is a workflow? First, tell me what is a workflow. Everyone understood? Step by step guidance. Yes. Now let's see what exactly is a sequence of operations. Yes, you can call it as a sequence of operations. What is credentials? Now credentials is those you can say links. You can call it linking our account with N8N server. Okay. These credentials is nothing but linking our Google account, our Telegram account, our WhatsApp account, whatsoever account I want to use in N8N, in the N8N workflow, those can be linked using credentials. Okay, and it's not like we have to come here in credentials tab again and again in order to link all these things. This can be done inside the workflow only. But all the links that we have done, all the links that we have done, N8N Open API credits, Telegram account, Swapbot, Gmail account, calendar account, all these links are visible over here. Just in case you want to remove some link, you can remove it by clicking over here, and you can delete. You can change the ownership as well. And this is what credentials is all about. Credentials means the additional information that N8N need, that it needs to get from a different app. Like my emails are present in Gmail app. So for Gmail app, N8N needs to have a link to Gmail. But obviously, I won't be giving N8N my credentials. I won't be giving N8N my username and password, right? Obviously, we won't be giving that. But how exactly N8N will be reading my emails in that case? By creating this link. Okay? This is what credentials means. Okay? Everyone understood what is a credential? Everyone understood what is a credential? Yes, 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 yes. Perfect, perfect, guys. Perfect, folks. Is it safe? Yes, it is super safe, because the it is only you are giving only specific access to N8N. It's not like you are literally giving your ID and password to N8N. You are giving specific access. Like let's suppose I want N8N to read my emails, then N8N only has access to read my emails. Okay, it doesn't have access to reply or kind of extract something out of it. Fine. So that kind of scope we can do. We can scope the access in such a way. So I'll quickly repeat it again. So credentials in N8N means whenever my AI agent needs some information out of N8N, like Gmails, emails, or chats, or let's suppose You can call it sending an email or calendar, or let's suppose stock market trend from a specific website. Whenever it needs some information which it doesn't have, then it can make use of this credentials thing. What does credentials do? Credentials allows n8n some access in order to fetch the data, in order to get the data from all these applications. It could be anything, it could be any kind of an app. Okay, does this sound good? Yes, you can connect Outlook as well. A very good question. I like these kinds of questions. Very good. Aarti is asking, how come it's accessing our information without knowing password and username? Just curious to know, sir. So, Aarti, when you link, when you create this particular link, okay, it will ask you for permissions. I'll show you. Okay. Whenever we link something, whenever we add a credential, it will ask you that, let's suppose I am clicking on create credentials. Obviously, we do not create credentials like this, but I'm showing you. If let's suppose I am creating this Gmail account too, and it will ask me to sign in with Google. Now, if you will see, let me share the whole screen. Then it is asking me the ID, the account to sign in with. Okay, let's suppose I am signing in with Mom's Magic account. So if I click on Mom's Magic account, it is asking me these permissions. If you will be able to see, these are the permissions that n8n is asking me. Read, compose, and send, permanently delete all your emails from Gmail. These permissions I can give. I can restrict some permissions, I can give some permissions. Okay, this is how the whole thing works. If I click on continue, a new link is created, okay, between n8n and my Gmail account, that is Mom's Magic. And I can mention Mom's Magic Gmail account in order to remember. Sometimes I forget, this is the reason why. So you see, this connection got created, this credentials got created. Now I can set it up anywhere. Okay. Obviously, we do not set it like this because you asked, I showed you. Okay. Perfect. We set it in the workflow only. Yes, that is right, Sumanta. A very good question by Mohammed Fariuddin. How is make.com different than n8n? When to use make.com, when to use n8n? Make.com only creates workflows, Fariuddin. Okay? It creates workflows for getting some tasks done. Whereas n8n creates AI agent. What is the difference between AI agent and automation? AI agent and an automation, not workflow, I should say automation. What is the difference? You guys tell me. A very good question. I like these kinds of questions. What is the difference between AI agent and automation? Yes, a very good question by Mohammed only. AI agents can think. Yes. The answers, crisp answer is by Aarti and Mohammed and others also, I think, answered it correctly. AI agents will communicate. AI agents can do multiple work. Okay. If I say do this, then it will do that, like that. Like it's kind of a communication. It's kind of a chatting interface. Whereas automation does a defined work. If I start an automation, it will keep on doing that work again and again whenever triggered. Whereas AI agent is kind of a person who is working for you. Automation is a complete instruction. AI agent is a person who will remember everything. If I say, hey Jarvis, then I will ask, what is my name, Jarvis? Jarvis will say, your name is Swapnil. Automation cannot do that thing. Okay? So AI agent and automations are different. You can do automation using Make, but AI agents can be created only using n8n. Did I answer your question, guys? Did you guys understood what is the difference? Everyone? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, Vishwas, that is right. Okay, I'll quickly go through it again. Kamala Rao. So Kamala, AI agent is like Chat GPT, or like a interface who is chatting with you, who is communicating with you, who is like a person, your employee. You can tell that person do this, do that, and all these things, and that will be done. Automations, on the other hand, is a defined work. It is kind of a defined work, a set of instructions, and it will be doing only this work. That is the difference between AI agent and automation, right? Yes, Priya, that is right. Correct? Okay. Zapier does a similar thing, by the way, but N8N, it's kind of little bit, it provides free and all these things, so it sometimes it does a good job. Perfect. Now executions, we learned about workflows, we learned about credentials. What is executions? Executions means whenever I execute, whenever my AI agent is run, it will be showing here how the records of those executions. Okay. So this is what executions is all about. So these are the only three parts which are important. Data tables is kind of use data tables to persist execution details. So this is just for kind of tracking and all these purpose. Workflows is for creating AI agents. Credentials is for getting the additional information. Executions is whenever I run my AI agent, how exactly it has run, what is the details and all these things, how much time it took and all these things, it will be records. It is the records. Okay. Perfect. Amazing. Now that we have understood, did you guys understand the whole thing? Now that we have understood N8N, can I go ahead and create our first ever AI agent together? Yes, 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 yes. Excited? Perfect, perfect. Let's just go ahead and let's do it. So what I'll be doing is I'll be clicking on create a workflow. This. I'll be zooming in a little for you guys. Is it better now? Little bit zoomed in. Yes, Priya, that is right. Can we automate with WhatsApp as well? Yes, you can do that as well. Okay, perfect. So let's click on this button. Right now, you just I'll click on create workflow and a scratch workflow will be visible here. Okay. Yes, we'll go slow, but we'll make sure that you guys are understanding everything. Okay. Perfect. Now that after clicking on create workflow, it's showing me a scratch workflow. It's giving me two options. Do you want to build with AI or you want to add your first step manually? So firstly, we'll be learning how to do manually and then we'll be learning all the bonuses. So a quick thing for you guys in this particular session, I will be giving you three bonuses. Three bonus only if you guys stay and be fully attentive throughout the session. You guys enjoy the session throughout. I will be giving you three bonus, and this is not some bonus like I'll say that do this, do that, and all these things. A bonus, like by bonus I mean a trick. I will be showing you a trick which can make your life easy. So are you guys excited that we'll be learning three bonuses in this session? Little bit charged up. I want you guys to have fully charged. That yes, Swapnil, I want to learn the bonus. Yes, yes, indeed. Perfect. So let's just go ahead and let's start with our first step. Okay, let's start with our first step. Perfect. So whenever we are creating an AI agent, I'll ask first to you guys only. Whenever we are creating an AI agent, what's the first thing that we should be doing? Like let's suppose I will go here. Let's do some sketching. Let's do some sketching. That let's suppose this is my LLM. How many of you know what is an LLM? LLM? What is LLM, guys? Large language model? Yes. LLMs are basically the models, the generative AI models which generates contents, okay, based on a large knowledge, okay. So this is an LLM. Now let's suppose I want this LLM to do a task for me. Like I want it to do a task for me. Task. So how exactly I can ask LLM to do a task for me? You guys first tell me this. I want to keep things super clear. Like everyone should be knowing these things. Someone is saying prompt, okay? Prompt. What else? What else? Ask your question. Yes, that's a prompt. Instructions, human like response, okay. What else? Voice commands, very good. Voice commands, voice commands, image, okay. All this comes inside the prompt only, but yeah, fine. Action, a very good one. Action. Uploading a document, okay. Instructions to generate content. All these things. What are all these things? Let's summarize this. If I want LLM to do a task, how exactly I can tell the AI agent or tell the LLM to do this? There should be a way to trigger. The word is, my friends, trigger, and I think most of you told it correctly. We triggered it, but this trigger could be anything. This trigger could be a prompt. This trigger could be a prompt like, hey, Jarvis, send an email for me. Or it could be some action like, if I have received an email from an account, you should automatically be replying. An event. Very good. Very good, Mohammed. It could be an event as well. Are you guys understanding what is the difference between a prompt and an event? Prompt is where I am manually triggering the AI agent to do something. Event is something happened and it automatically got triggered. Like, let's suppose I have set up my AI agent in such a way that if someone sends me an email, they automatically gets a reply. Like a customer service agent. Like if someone told that the food is not good, then they automatically get a reply that, so sorry sir that you had to face this all these issues, we are like we have noted your complaint and all these things. Do you guys understand what are the different types of triggers can be? Yes, like out of office email in Outlook. So triggers could be different types. This is what I want you guys to understand. It could be a manual trigger where I am writing something, I am sending an image, I am doing something, I am uploading an image, I am sharing a document and anything, I am sending an email. Or it could be something that is happening and AI automatically getting created. So this is what is known as a trigger. It could be anything. And once a trigger is there, LLM starts functioning. Is trigger clear with everyone over here? Everyone, yes? So you are convinced enough that AI agent only starts with a trigger. AI agent only starts with a trigger. Now that we are saying that AI agent only starts with a trigger, but let's suppose I have asked AI agent to let's suppose I have asked AI agent that, hey, I am Swapnil. And then I have asked the AI agent, what is my name? How will the AI agent remember this? You only tell me that if a person, a genius person is there and he doesn't know anything, he only knows all these things about the world knowledge and all, but he doesn't have any personal knowledge of mine. So how will this AI agent know who am I or any kind of a personal information? Like let's suppose I said that I want to order two pizza and one burger, and I want to order from Mom's Magic. But how will it know Mom's Magic email ID? Right? So it needs to be saved somewhere. So for that we have a dedicated memory. It could be database, it could be cloud. We call it memory. Memory of our AI agent, because AI agent doesn't have anything knowledge, right? Not previously fed data, Monica. This is memory. Like you can call it previously fed, as in means if I am talking to the AI agent, it is saving some of the things about me. That okay, this person who I am talking to is Swapnil. This person's email ID is this. So let's suppose I will ask AI agent to send an email ID, send an email. So it will automatically remember that my email ID was this, like a RAM. Very good. Just like how Google processes data. Yeah, I agree. So AI agent needs to have a memory for storing data about you, for storing conversation. Is this memory part clear, guys? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, it can remember your voice as well, Rashmi. Then, what is the next thing? What is the next thing that AI agent wants? Now, AI agent, let's suppose I will ask AI agent to send an email for me, or I will ask AI agent to kind of fetch my meetings for today. How will AI agent know? You only tell me. How will AI agent know my emails? How will AI agent know that where exactly how many meetings I have? No, it's not memory. Memory is like our conversation, right? How will it access those things about my calendar, about my Gmails? Yes, credentials. Very good. But how do I use these credentials in form of tools? So I need to equip my AI agent with proper tools. What are these tools? These tools are used to do this task. Whatever the task is, there will be a proper tool for this task, like Gmail tool for sending Gmails, Telegram tool for sending Telegram messages, WhatsApp tool for sending WhatsApp messages. Okay? So these tools are required by my AI agent in order to do this task. Okay? This is what tools is all about. Do you guys understand tools now? Yes? Yes? Everyone? Yes? Perfect. I am saying again, guys, please don't do right now. We have a dedicated project hours for doing the whole thing. So don't do sign in also. I will be guiding you throughout. For now, just enjoy. Trust me, this time will not come back. I will not again be coming back and showing you all these things. This is very precious. And I want to utilize this whole time. Please, please, please don't do anything else. Full focus on screen. Okay? Fine. Now that we have understood what are tools, what is the next thing that AI agent would need from me? A final thing that AI agent would need is instructions or system prompts. System prompts. A final master prompt, you can call it, or a system prompt, or you can call it an instruction. What is this instruction? Instruction is AI agent knows what tasks to do. AI agent has a memory. AI agent knows how these tools works. But what I told you at the start, if you remember at the start what I told you, this person is a genius. This person knows everything. But how will he know that how to use all these tools in my company? How will this person know that when to use which tool? Intent, yes, Neeraj. That how to reply, how to AI agents knows how to reply, like to send reply, okay, to send an email. But what exactly? How can I refine it? Refining those things, refining the output, refining the complete flow can be done when I am giving specific instructions to the AI agent. Like do when you are asked to send an email, make sure you are polite, make sure you are writing regards my name. System prompt is telling AI how to do a task in a best way. AI knows how to do a task. Okay, AI knows how to do a task, it is expert. But how to customize it for you, how to make sure that the AI agent is doing it perfectly as you wanted. You can set the instructions over here, you can set the rules over here, that I want the AI agent to use Gmail tool for sending email. I want it to use Telegram to send Telegram tool to send messages and all these things. So system prompt is a final prompt, is a master prompt. When you use chat gpt, when we ask chat gpt, we send some of the things, right? Can you tell me, help me with this, and then whatever information that we have, we provide it, and then we create a final prompt. Think it of system instruction as a final prompt to your AI agent to do that task for you. And this whole setup club together, this whole setup that we are talking about, if we keep this whole thing together, this is known as a AI employee, my friends. This whole thing, like when a task is given, some trigger happens, AI agent has some memory, it uses tools and instructions to give some final output. And this is the whole picture of AI agent. This is the whole picture of AI employee. Did you guys understand the whole thing? Yes? Yes? Any doubts? Anything? Yes? Everyone understood? Now, before moving ahead, I want to see if you guys are enjoying the session till here. Are you guys enjoying the session? Do you think that this session is fun? This session is different? This I am literally trying my best to connect with you. I want you guys to connect with me till that level. That connect should be happening, so that today, tomorrow, whatever the sessions is, when this connect has happened, your learning would be amazing, guys. Trust me. Perfect. Can you repeat examples of tools that can be used? Yes, why not? Gmail tool can be used, Smita. Okay. Gmail tool can be used for sending emails. A Telegram tool can be used for sending Telegram messages. WhatsApp, Outlook, any kind of an application can literally be used as a tool in order to do a task. Naukri can be used, yes. LinkedIn can be used. Office can be used. No, this is instructions, not instance. This is instructions. You might be thinking, Swapnil, my God, this understanding is like this handwriting is really bad. Yep, I can see my handwriting is little bit bad, which is the reason why I try not to do much of a sketching, because sometimes people get confused. But don't worry, you will be getting all these notes and all these things. Yes, yes, perfect. Okay, I have a question. Large box. Swapnil, large box is instruction, but task and instructions is same, right? See, task is like, I'll tell you, a very good question by Priya. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between task and instructions? Can anyone tell me what is the difference between task and instructions? Task is an action. Yes. Task is what to do. Task could be send an email. Instruction is how exactly you will be drafting that email. What exactly will be your salutation? How exactly, what will be your tone? What will you be saying regards? What you should not be writing in the email? All these things. Task is just an action that needs to be performed. Instruction is how to perform it in a better way. Okay? Very good, guys. You guys are superb. Perfect, perfect. I can see that thing is coming. That's superb. That connect is coming up. Perfect. So with this kind of a whole setup, let's move back to our NA10, and let's start with our first automation together. So are you guys ready for our first automation? For our first AI agent? Let's go, let's glow, let's go. Let's glow. Wow. Perfect. So what we will be doing is we'll be clicking on add our first step. Now you guys already know. You guys already know what needs to be done. So what is the first step, guys? You only tell me. What is the first step? Don't do anything. You don't need to do anything. Just watch. Okay. We'll be doing everything in the project task, guys. Okay. For those of you who are saying how to log in and all these things, we'll be doing everything in the project task. For now, just watch. Okay. Yes. Very good. Very good, Ashish. Mohammad, Anik, Rajiv, Neeraj, Priyabrata, Anusha. Very good, guys. Pooja, Mahesh. Yes, we have to add a trigger. That trigger could be anything, like you can trigger manually. Let's see how many triggers are there. If I click on add first step, it says what trigger this workflow. How exactly you want to trigger, how exactly you want to start this workflow. We can start by triggering manually, on a schedule, on a web call, anything, on chat message, and all these things. So when I click on chat message, let's suppose I'm just showing you a very basic workflow. Let's suppose I am saying that whenever a chat message is given, this workflow should start. So what I'll do is I will choose on chat message. Okay. And it's saying workflow successfully created inside your personal space. I can click on this test chat, and it says over here, let's clear the session. If I'll write hi, it's this tick. What does this tick means? This tick means this node is executed successfully. Obviously, I won't be getting any reply. I am not even expecting any reply. Okay. I just created one node that will be listening to me. Is this node clear with everyone? I just created one node that created a chat surface which will be listening to me. If I'll say I am Swapnil, it should be just listening to me. Saying all these things, this JSON, it should not be replying me. It should just be listening to me. Yes, I can show again. What I did is I clicked on, wait, let me remove this for you. This is the initial setup, right? I'm doing it for you guys because this is the first time we are doing it. So I'm repeating it. Everyone, full focus. Everyone, what is the first step we'll be doing? We will be creating a node that will be listening to us. Okay. That triggers the workflow. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll click on add first step, and how exactly the trigger will be happening on a chat message. This means this runs flow when user sends a chat message. Okay. When I send a chat message, then it should trigger. So I will click on chat message here. There are other options as well, on app event, on schedule, on webhook call. All these things are different ways of triggering the workflow. I am choosing whenever I send a message, you have to trigger the workflow. Okay. So let me click on chat message. Okay. And click on test chat. So what I'll do is I will write hi, and it is successfully run. You see this tick means it has successfully run and it is taking our chats. Yes, Balakrishna, you can use WhatsApp, Telegram, any kind of an application for this chat trigger. For now, I'm just showing you the basics, that how exactly a chat trigger works. Okay. So far, so clear, guys? Yes, 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 yes. You don't need to do anything right now, guys. Just enjoy the process. I'm repeating multiple times. So when chat message received, this we can rename. Okay. This thing, this node we can rename. That chat trigger. On chat, on chat received. Trigger on chat received. I think better name. Trigger on chat received. Just naming, nothing else. Just naming. Trigger on chat received. So whenever I'll say hi, it is triggering the workflow. The workflow is getting triggered whenever the moment I am saying hi. How did you rename? I double clicked on it and then I changed the name over here. Priya. Okay. Just a normal rename. Perfect. Now that I have set up a trigger, what is the next thing? What is the next thing that we will be doing? I am receiving my messages. My messages are received. But there should be some way that I am also getting replies back. Don't you think like that? Yes, yes, I am sending messages. Hi, Hi, bro. Why are you not replying? Hi, bro. Why aren't you replying? Why aren't it is replying? Because it is only taking the chats. It doesn't have any setup in order to reply back. It is just taking the message as input and it is not doing anything apart from that. Okay. So what we will do is we will click on this plus and we will set up a way a AI agent which will be doing the communication, doing the conversation with me. Okay. So what I did is I clicked on this plus and we'll be clicking on AI agent here. You see AI agent. What does this AI agent will do? If you remember that diagram that we created on trigger, AI agent will process my message. So I'll click on AI agent. So you can see what is the prompt that is coming in the AI agent. The prompt that is coming is the chat input. What was the chat input? Hi bro, why aren't you replying? This is the prompt that we are giving to the AI agent. You can see the prompt, it is automatically. I didn't do anything. I just clicked and I added an AI agent and it automatically took that prompt that I sent from the chat. Hi bro, why aren't you replying? I need not do anything. I will click on execute this step and we saw an error. Now, why exactly we are getting this error? Now, the whole idea of this is I will deliberately make mistakes and I will ask you why exactly we are getting errors and I will see if you guys are able to answer it or not, and we will also see that how to fix those, because this whole setup you will always get errors. You will always get errors. You need to also learn how to make sure that these errors are solved, which is the reason why I will manually create these errors. This is how you will be learning. Okay. Now you saw that I created an AI agent. I just added an AI agent. That's all I did. Okay. I added an AI agent, but it is showing me an error. What this error is saying, a chat model subnode must be connected and enabled. Do you understand what is the error that we are getting here? I am sending hi, but it is showing error. A chat model subnode needs to be connected. It is saying that Swapnil, it's good that you are sending hi to me. As an AI agent, I can get your message, but I'm not able to reply back because I don't have any brain. Funny, isn't it? That AI agent doesn't have any brain. Why? Because we have not connected any brain to the AI agent. So how exactly you can see this red mark over here, this star red. This means it is mandatory. If I am memory tool, that is not mandatory, guys. Some people are saying we have not added memory, we have not added tool. That is not mandatory. But the least you need to add is give brain to this AI agent, right? How exactly I can give brain to this AI agent? I will click on plus. Okay. And over here, there will be an options. Which chat model you want to use. You can use OpenAI, you can use Gemini, and all these things. I will be using OpenAI because there are some free credits that N8N provides. So I'll be clicking on OpenAI chat model. You don't need to follow, like do it right now. You just need to watch, guys. So for those of you who are saying, please repeat, I missed this step. Just watch, just learn. We'll be doing the same thing again in the project hours. The same thing in a slower pace. Okay. For now, this is just for learning. First learn. Okay. So I will be writing OpenAI chat model. And over here it's saying credentials to connect with. So I need to create credentials. I need to create credentials to OpenAI account in order to connect this. But what happens is N8N provides 100 free credits. So I have just chosen that. If your free credits is finished, you can create a new credential and get your API key done. All the steps are there that will be given to you. For now, you can simply use N8N free OpenAI credits. Okay. And you can choose the model over here. I have just chosen GPT 4.1 mini. That's totally fine. So this is the model that I have connected my AI agent to. and I will click on cross. Now I will say hi and let's see what happens. We can see that it ran successfully. We can see that it ran successfully and the chat is visible. I sent a hi. It's saying, hello, how can I assist you? Hello, how can I assist you? It actually worked. The OpenAI chat model now it's working. If I saying what is the capital of India, and it will be telling me the capital of India is New Delhi. Finally, our chatbot has started working. Do you think this is MB, guys? I know little bit lesser than MB, but it's a huge feat. At least we have achieved something. So I want some MBs in chat. Congratulations to everyone here that we have achieved a process where I am sending a message. AI agent is processing that message and we are getting a reply back. Okay, perfect. So far, so good. Now I will tell this AI agent, I am Swapnil. What is your name? Okay. So it says, hello Swapnil, I am ChatGPT, your AI assistant. Let me make this little bit this way. Okay. Hello Swapnil, I am ChatGPT, your AI assistant. How can I help you today? Okay. Now, the funny part is, I will ask you, what is my name? I will ask this AI agent, what is my name? And it is saying, I don't have any access to your current information. Could you please tell me your name again? I know some parts of this already Anushka covered, but I am covering it again so that you guys see, we can't go from 1 to 10 directly. We need to go step by step, which is the reason why a little bit of repetition would be there, but I want your support. I want your full attention, full support that yes, Swapnil, this is how we do it step by step in a proper manner. I can just go ahead and show you a huge workflow where Anushka left, but I don't want that. I don't want to start from where Anushka left. I want to little bit overlap so that you guys enjoy the whole process. Okay? Yes? Perfect. So when I asked what is my name, what is my name? Okay, you want me to increase the font size? Okay, perfect. When I asked what is my name, what is the reply of the AI model? I don't have access to your name based on current conversation. Could you please tell me your name? Why exactly we are getting this particular reply? Because AI agent doesn't have any memory yet. I have not added any memory to our AI agent. If you can see that we added the OpenAI chat model, but memory we didn't add. So let's just go ahead and let's add the memory here. So what I'll do is I'll click on memory and multiple different kind of memory can be added like MongoDB chat memory, Postgre, Redis and all these things. These are like for complex automations. For like no credentials required, nothing. If you want to store in N8 memory only, you can simply use for beginners a simple memory. I really like this thing about N8 that they have simplified all these things. And you can see they have provided session key and all these things by themselves. I don't need to do anything over here. I will just click on simple memory and they have added a simple memory for me. Okay, perfect. Now I'll open the chat again and I will say, hi, I am Swapnil. You see, hello, Swapnil, how can I assist you? And this memory node also ran. If you will see this memory node also ran, it shows a tick. It means it has recorded my name. I will ask, what is my name? And it will be able to fetch it from the memory. Your name is Swapnil. How can I help you further? Okay. So simple memory is to add context, is to add context to your conversation. If your conversation doesn't have context, there is no point of having a conversation. It's always like starting from scratch. It's just like talking to someone who doesn't remember everything, anything. Like I'm talking to a friend saying, hi bro, did you eat banana? The friend will say, I am eating banana. He ate banana. After that, after 5 minutes, I will ask the friend again, did you eat banana? that friend will again say, "Oh, I didn't eat banana," and that friend will again eat banana. Such a lame example. I was also thinking what I am speaking, but kind of giving you a idea that it's very funny to have a Gajni kinds of a thing. Very good, Nishant. Yeah, Gajni. Yeah, so sorry for such a weird example, but yes, I just tried to be funny, but I failed. Okay, perfect. So we have a brain, we have a memory. Now we can literally go ahead and have conversation with this AI agent. Hi, and anything of that sort. Like, hi, can you please tell me, um, what is the what? Any question? What is the where is Rajasthan? Let's suppose where is Rajasthan? So it says, hello, Swapnil, Rajasthan is a state located in like this, and we have got. But a very good question by Rajender. Like, what is the date today? If I'll ask, what is the date today? Let's see. It says today is 5 June 2024. It's literally living 1 year back. Why so? Why exactly this AI agent gave me a bad response? This is not correct. Why? Because it is following the open AI chat model, and that is trained with that date. In order to get the current one, how exactly to get that? You have to write system instructions. You see, in the AI agent, there will be an option to write system message. There will be an option to write system message. And you can mention over here. You can mention over here that the date and time today is, and like you can just mention now. This I am giving an instruction. What is this? This is not some coding or something. This is just I am saying a instruction to my AI agent that the date and time currently, the current, or it would be better, the current date and time is dollar now. What is this dollar now? This is just an expression, my friends. Don't get confused that Swapnil, you literally wrote some code or something. This is just an expression. Okay. How will you know all these? This is the only thing that you should be knowing. Okay. This is a very normal kind of instruction that we generally give to our AI agent in order to make sure that they are calibrated at current time. They know what is the current time. So what I did is I added a instruction to AI agent. I can repeat it again. What I did is this was my AI agent. It doesn't know what is today's date and all these things. So I clicked on it. I added this instruction for my AI agent. I clicked on options, system message. I said, you are a very helpful AI assistant, and you should like just kind of mention the current date and time is. The current date and time is, it's just simple. Repeat after me. This curly brace, one curly brace, two curly brace, dollar now. That's it. This is just an expression, guys. That's it. Don't let people say this is coding and you should not do this. This is not coding. Some people say that, Swapnil, you said that coding will not be that. This is coding. This is not coding. This is just an expression to tell what is the current date and time. So please make sure this is not coding. This is just current date time expression. Okay. So the current date and time is now. Dollar now. That's it. So you can see the what is the result, the current date time, it has come correctly. Okay. This is only for real time triggers. Yes, very good, Jasmeet. This is only for real time triggers. If your AI agent needs to have this knowledge, then only you should provide. Otherwise, you can skip. Okay. What I'll do is I'll go back. I will ask what is the date today. So it has said correctly now. Today is 24 January 2026. How can I assist you, Swapnil? You see, it remembers my name also. This is the whole thing, guys. This is the whole thing. If obviously my AI agent is not sitting on my local machine, it is sitting somewhere else. It is calibrated with something different. I need to instruct them my use case. My use case was real time chatting. So I instructed the AI agent what is the current date time. So whenever someone asks the AI agent what is the current date time, or can you like tell me the current time and all these things, it will be answering effectively. Very good question. Pramod is asking, if we run the model tomorrow, then we need to change the system prompt again. Why? Why should we change the system prompt? Have I written the current date and time? Today is 24 January. No, I didn't. This is the whole point of writing this expression, guys. Right? This is the whole point of writing this expression. This expression gives time, real time, the time and date in real time. It's dynamic. This dollar now gives time, date and time in real time. It's dynamic. So if you run it tomorrow, it will be giving tomorrow's date and time. Okay. Perfect. Yes, the location also. Location also you can provide all these things. Like let's suppose you need to provide the location access and all these things. But yeah, all these things you have to provide. AI agent will not know where exactly you are sitting. It's all about today. I am sitting in India. Okay. Just think of an example. I am sitting in India, but a friend is also using my AI agent. He or she is sitting in US. Then that person will be having US time zone. Then also dollar now will work, because dollar now is just an expression. It's just an expression. It will be giving current date time based on his or her time zone, not my time zone. Okay, perfect. I will be showing you all these expressions. Don't worry. All these expressions are very limited. All these will be shown. Don't worry at all. I always say in my sessions, भाई आया है सब बता के जाएगा. So please be very clear that if I have come, I am teaching you. I will literally teach you everything. All the things will be taught in a proper way. Now, how many of you want 5 minutes break? Because I can see a lot of folks saying break, 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 break. Do you want 5 minutes break? Yes. Yes. 10 minutes. Oh, 10 minutes would be a little bit more. But yeah, we will be giving break of 15 minutes before the project hours. Let's take at least I think 7 minutes, because 7 is my lucky number. So I will choose 7. 7 is lucky number. Just kidding. So let me give you 7 minutes break. In this 7 minutes break, you guys go through all these things. You need not do anything yourself. Just try to sit down, relax, think whatever has been happened. Okay, and then we come back. We create our AI employee. Okay, everyone. Okay. Yes. 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 Okay. Let me give you 7 minutes break then. Okay, most people are asking 10 only then. Let's give 10 minutes break. But before this break, before this break, I am telling you one thing. Let me stop this. Before this break, I am telling you one thing, that friends, I have promised you that I will be giving you 3 bonus, right? How many of you want to get this bonus tip? This bonus tip is not something that sign up this, that, and all these things. I will be literally showing you an amazing trick. What is this amazing trick? Let me show you the glimpse of that. You see, my hands are here. I am just clicking on one thing. My hands are here. I'm just saying, hi, what is your name? Over here, the chat is there and it will come in the chat. Okay, that is what the bonus is all about. I can see some of you already know about it, but yes, I'll be teaching you that after the break. So please make sure you don't drop off. You come after the break, because after the break we'll be having even more fun. This is only the basics. We'll be learning a lot of things further. So your 10 minutes break starts now. We'll come back Please relax. Please relax. Take your time. Okay, and we'll be resuming. Perfect. Yes, while resuming, I'll recap for sure. Okay, it's time to be back, I think. 1 minute left. I can see some of the chats. Yes, I'll be kind of recapping everything, so don't worry. We still have 30 seconds. Yes, Akram, I have got your chat. Yes, I agree, Vishwa. Okay, it's time now. So perfect. Okay, coming back to our workflow. So, first of all, guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for kind of being there on the session. It's great to see that none of the folks has dropped. That's really great. Thank you so much for being back here. We will be kind of moving ahead with our build your own AI employee topic. Yes, Nagraj. And some of the folks are saying that, hey, Swapnil, N8N is not free. So, what is the hack that you use? So, basically, I use the same hack that most of the folks use to kind of create multiple accounts. But if you are really serious about creating AI agents, selling AI agents in general, like, then you can buy the premium. You can do that as well. But yes, N8N till some extent for 7 days it is free. Yep. Perfect. So with this, yeah, till 14 days. Yes, right, Mohammed. Thank you so much for like correcting me. Okay, I can see like everyone is back. Is everyone back? Can I get quick yes in the chat? Yes, 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 yes from everyone. Come on. Everyone is back. Yes, 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 yes. All the people who are saying I'm not able to log in and all these things, we have a dedicated project hours, guys. Okay, we will be doing that in the project hours. For now, just watch, enjoy, and learn. Okay, I will be shifting you to project hours separately. Okay, perfect. So we have I have reviewed the chat, and yes, most of the folks are back. So I'll quickly recap. So the first thing that we did from the workflow is adding this particular trigger. Yes, we added a trigger over here. We added AI agent. Okay, after adding the trigger, we added AI agent. In order to give the AI agent a brain, we added OpenAI chat model. And in order to have a very simple memory, we added a simple memory. And in order to kind of entertain the real time conversations and all these things, date related and all, I added a system message, a system instruction. That is the current date time is now. So that the AI will know what is the current date and time. So I can interact with this AI agent. Hi, like this, and it will be working smoothly. Hi Swapnil, how can I help you today? So I can ask it kind of random questions about what is the best AI model. Let's see what it says. So it says the best is all these things, all these models it has mentioned. So yep, this thing is there. A question in the chat by Somil, that Swapnil, does dollar sign makes it dynamic? So see, dollar now is an expression to everyone. It's the expression in JavaScript. There is a coding language named JavaScript. I didn't want to mention this, but because so many of you are asking, so I am telling you this is an expression in JavaScript to get the current date and time. Okay, yeah, you can call it JSON or in general, like it's a JavaScript expression to get the current date or time. So that is what we are providing in form of this expression in order to make things dynamic. So that if tomorrow I kind of ask my AI agent what is the date today or something like that, then it will be able to kind of generate the correct response. How can we get to know about more expressions we need to use? I will be teaching you all those expressions. But apart from that also, if you want to know about expressions, N8N expressions, you can just search. and there is a proper doc for all these expressions that generally is used in N8N. So just in case you want to explore further, you can check these expressions out. Okay, fine. Otherwise, you can just follow whatever I am telling you. That's more than enough. I will be covering most of the expressions that is generally used. Okay. Yes, you can have multiple expressions in the same message. Yes. This is also an expression, right? This chat input that is automatically provided. There is nothing but a JSON.chat input which is provided as a prompt. So you don't need to think much about these expressions, guys. This is mostly super easy. Okay. So now that we have understood the whole concept of AI agent thing, let's go ahead and let's build an AI agent. But do you think, my friends, do you really think that whenever I am talking about creating your own AI employee, I will log into N8N and open this chat and then chat with this N8N interface? Do you really think that would be a correct way to create your own AI employee? Obviously, why should I, if I am a service provider, why should I log into N8N in order to do this chat? It was your question, right, Aarti? That why should I have this chat interface inside N8N? Why can't we have it in WhatsApp? Why can't we have in Telegram? Why can't we have in Gmail? Right? Everyone? Yes, 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 yes. So yes, guys, we can have that sort of a thing as well. And for that only, I will be building a another workflow from scratch that will be your AI employee. Okay. So let me click on create workflow and let me make this workflow as your AI employee. What could be a cool name to your AI employee? You guys tell me. What could be a cool name to your AI employee? Okay, naming your name only. Chotu. I really like that Chotu name, by the way. My PA, workaholic, Donald Trump. You guys are really fun. Chota Beam. Okay, I saw a name named as Groot. I'll name Groot because it's kind of okay. Groot. This is Groot. This is my AI employee. Okay, so Groot is the name of our AI employee. A random name, Groot. A Marvel fan. So in Marvel, there's a kind of character named Groot. So I have named it Groot only. Okay. Perfect. So, as I mentioned, obviously, we need to make sure that AI agent that we are creating needs to have a trigger. But whatever trigger I am creating, that needs to be independent of N8N, right? That needs to be independent of N8N. Now, we can have triggers like Telegram chat, we can have triggers like WhatsApp, we can have triggers like Gmail, right? We can have triggers like Messenger, all these things. So but I will be showing you an a AI agent that will be creating using Telegram. Why Telegram? Because Telegram is doesn't need a lot of permissions, which is the reason why WhatsApp, what happens is it needs a lot of permissions, business accounts and all these things. The process is completely same. It is just that one step you need to change, and other than that everything is same. So we'll be using Telegram web. Okay, Telegram app, web, whatever. If you have Telegram in your phone, that also works. So we will be creating a AI agent, an AI bot in Telegram. Yes, you can use Slack as well, Jasmeet. That you can do yourself. I'll be showing you with Telegram and it will be exact same. Okay. So what we'll be doing is we will be creating our own bot using Telegram, and this bot will be having conversation with us, will be sending emails for us, will be searching in the web for us, and multiple things it will be doing. Okay. Arun is asking, using N8N is more economic compared to WhatsApp API. See, WhatsApp API doesn't allow you automation. Okay, N8N that allows you, and obviously it is economic. Yes, you can connect sheets as well, Kunal. For now, focusing on our bot. So the first thing that we will be doing is we will be creating a trigger, right? What is the first step of creating an AI agent? Quickly, quickly, come on, guys. I want quick response now. Full attention, 100% attention, quick responses. Trigger. So what is the trigger that we will be creating? We will be creating a trigger named as Telegram. Telegram, what kind of a trigger? On message. Whenever some message is sent, I will create this trigger. Now it is asking, okay, Swapnil, you want to create a trigger on message of Telegram. But for that, you need to connect to a Telegram account, right? You need to have a credential. Obviously, how will N8N know that where exactly to get the Telegram message from? So you have to connect your Telegram account in that way. So for that, for connecting that Telegram account, we will be creating a Telegram bot. We will be creating a Telegram bot, my friends. Are you ready for your first ever Telegram bot? Ready, 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 ready. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. So what we will do is you will go to webtelegram.org, this particular link. Okay. You can go to app as well or any like wherever. And there is a way to create Telegram bot named as Botfather. This is the official way. I really like Telegram because Botfather is simply like Godfather. How many of you have watched Godfather movie? Series, movie, whatever. Yes. So just like Godfather, Botfather is used for creating bots in Telegram. So what I'll do is I'll search for Botfather over here. You don't need to do anything. You just watch. You don't need to do anything. You just watch. So I'll click on Botfather and it says an option to start. I will click on start. What does it say? I can help you to create and manage Telegram bots. If you're new to this bot API, please see this manual. You can control me by sending these commands. In order to create a new bot in Telegram using Botfather, I will be clicking on this slash new bot. The moment I'll click on slash new bot, what is it asking? All right, a new bot. How do you gonna call it? Please choose a name for your bot. What is the name of our bot, guys? What is the name of our bot? It's Groot, right? So we have named it Groot. It says good. Now let's choose a username of your bot that must end with bot. Like you can choose Groot bot. I'm not really sure if this username might be taken, but let's try it. Groot bot. It says sorry, this username is already taken, so we can choose anything else like Groot. Let's name today's date. Groot 2026 0124. A random name. Groot 2024 2026 0124 bot like this. Okay. So it says done. Congratulations. Your bot is created with this username and this is your access token. Now you must be saying, Swapnil, what the hell is this access token? How should I be kind of using this access token and all these things? This access token is nothing but kind of a API key that I need to put over here when I am creating a new credential. When I am creating a new credential in as a Telegram account, it's asking me access token. I need to provide this code. I need to provide this code as access token. If I paste this one, okay, then what happens is, and I click on save, what it will say is, it says connection tested successfully. I can name it Groot Telegram bot. Just named it in order to kind of remember that this is Groot Telegram bot. Okay, perfect. So now our connection is successful. Groot Telegram bot has been set successfully. Okay, and I will click on this cross button. So our Telegram trigger is ready. How do I check? How do I check if our trigger is ready or not? How do I check if the trigger is ready or not? You guys tell me. How did we check earlier? By sending a message, right? So let's send a message. But do I need to send a message here? Obviously not. I need to send a message in my bot. For that, I will go to this link. It says congratulations on added your new bot. You will find your bot at here. So I'll click on this and you see this Groot bot is here. I will click on start. Okay. And I will start this particular workflow. And you see this start message has come. This start message has come. I executed the workflow. Let me execute the workflow again. It is listening, waiting for the trigger event. I will write hi. what will happen? This went correctly and hi message has come. So whatever message I am sending from Telegram, it is correctly coming to our NA10 workflow, and it is also showing me who is sending the message. It is sent from my account. My account is code with IITN. Okay. And it is showing me who is sending this message, code with IITN. Type is private. What is the text? The text is hi. Did you guys see how I sent a message in Telegram and it is received correctly as a trigger in our NA10 workflow? Yes, Groot is great. And you can do with mobile as well. You can do with mobile as well. Yes, that can be done with mobile as well. Let's see. Let's see. I will be showing you from my mobile. Okay. Let me start the workflow over here. Okay. You see, this is my phone in a very bad shape. Okay. And let me send a message. Sending from mobile. You see, I sent a message from my mobile. I didn't do anything. It has come sending from mobile. Isn't it amazing, guys? I literally sent it from my mobile and it is coming to my NA10 server. I literally sent this message from my mobile. Amazing, isn't it? Yup, yup, yup. And it's like you can also try it out. Whenever you will be sending the message, then also it will work. Okay. Send to who from your mobile? I sent it to the Telegram bot group. I sent to the Telegram bot. Groot. I sent it to Groot from my mobile. Okay. Right? Perfect. Awesome. Amazing. I sent from my Telegram app in mobile. Don't get confused. It's just that this interface. You guys already know what is Telegram, right? It's a chatting interface. I can send chats in Telegram from Telegram web as well, Telegram app as well, Telegram mobile as well. So if I am creating a Telegram bot, if I am creating a Telegram bot over here, it doesn't matter if I send the message from my phone or from my web, it will be received correctly in my NA10. Okay, that's what I am trying to help you understand. Okay, what date is broken? Sorry, I didn't understand. Which date is broken here? Okay, this one. Oh, this one. Don't think that's a JSON thing. Don't look at this. That's a JSON timestamp. That's when this date is little bit complex thing. This is kind of total number of milliseconds and all these things. It's not something that you should be thinking much. Just focus on that we are getting the text and the person from whom we are getting. Okay, Roop. So are you guys getting the feel? I literally sent from my phone. I can show you again. Execute workflow and like I will be typing. What do you want me to type? Let's type the session is mind blowing. Okay. I type session is mind blowing here. Oh man, this blur thing is coming. But I sent it like this. And I click on execute workflow and it's showing text as this. I think someone else also sent. Rahul tried to send in my bot and it has received. See, it's not like only I can send. You saw there is this person in the chat, Rahul, sorry, Madhav Chaudhary. Madhav Chaudhary sent very good session and I have received in my trigger. Okay, so just think it of the use case. It literally, you can send it from anywhere and it is getting triggered. So far, so clear, guys. Let's focus on moving ahead. But is this part clear? This is actually, I really like this part that we have created till some extent where we are getting messages from everywhere and we are able to do all these things. Okay, perfect. Yes, sounds good. A very good question. The question is Ganesh is asking, hey Swapnil, why exactly I need to click on execute workflow again and again? Right now we are editing this workflow. Once the workflow is completed, I can publish the workflow. After that, I need not click on execute workflow again and again. Okay. Ganesh, after that, you need not do execute workflow again and again. It will automatically happen. Okay, perfect. Dheeraj is asking Swapnil, when you are sending message, why is it showing Madhav Chaudhary? Because Madhav also sent the message. I sent the message, but after that, Madhav sent, which is the reason why it is taking that. Okay, you see? I think some person like Bluto sent. Interesting. If I execute the workflow again, Ashish is saying start, something like that. So it will keep on showing all the messages. Okay. I would just request you guys not to trigger it multiple times, because what will happen is otherwise we will lose the context. Okay. So please, you see, Ashish is saying, hey, B10X. So all these folks are actual folks in the chat who have sent the messages to this Telegram bot, this Groot bot. Okay. But I would ask you not to do it for now. Let's focus on our this thing. We can restrict this. Yes, it's not a security issue. We can restrict this. We can restrict this for sure. Yes, you will be able to see the session history as well. But yeah, for that we need to go ahead with the session, right? So should I go ahead with the session, guys? Finally, come on, tell me. I'm trying my best to answer your questions, but so many questions. Yes, let's go ahead. So now that we have created the trigger, what is the next step that needs to be done? We are receiving the messages from Telegram. The next step is we will be adding an AI agent, just like we added over there. I will be adding an AI agent here. This is the AI agent. Okay. And this AI agent, I need not do anything, setup and all these things. I'll let it as it is. And the chat AI model I will be connecting it to is again Open AI model. The same thing that we did, I'm just repeating that thing. So I'm just quickly doing it. So I have connected it to a AI model, and I have also connected it to a simple memory. Perfect. Now that we have a Telegram trigger, AI agent, Open AI chat model, simple memory, and all these things, let's execute the workflow. Okay. Don't send any messages. I will be doing it. Okay, guys. So I sent a message as, sorry, just give me a minute. I sent a message as, hi. What happened? It literally threw an error. Hey, what exactly happened? I messaged the Telegram bot. I added the OpenAI chat model, simple memory, all these things. We just saw this in our previous before break that how exactly all these things are working perfectly fine. But it is throwing me an error. Why exactly it is happening? Why this error is happening? If you remember, I told you that I'll deliberately show you some errors. I will deliberately show you some errors. Why exactly I'll be doing it? Because I need to make sure that if you guys are stuck in such kind of errors, you know the solution. This is how I teach, guys. I make sure that you guys go through all the errors first, so that when you will be doing it yourself, it will be super smooth. Okay. So we are learning how to debug. So it says error in subnode simple memory and all these things. So what does it say? It says expected to find session ID in input called session ID. So it says the simple memory couldn't find the session ID. What is the session ID set to? Let's see. The session ID is set to connected chat trigger node. Is the session connected to chat trigger node? You guys tell me. Our current session is connected to Telegram. It is not connected to chat's trigger node. Earlier it was connected to chat trigger node, but this is not. So I need to make sure that this session ID is separate, because these session IDs are storing, all these messages are stored. So if I am chatting with Telegram, if I am chatting with Groot, I need to mention that this is Groot. This session ID is with Groot, not with Telegram. So I will write Groot over here. And I need to do the same fix for OpenAI chat model. Okay, so not OpenAI, for the AI agent. Again, AI agent is also connected to the prompt from connected chat trigger. But we need to define it below. It is not connected to the chat trigger. It is connected to the message that we are getting from Telegram. Do you understand this? Whatever message I am sending in Telegram, the prompt should be that message. It shouldn't be the message from chat trigger node. What is that message? That message is nothing but this text. That message is nothing but this text. So I will be dragging this text and I'll be putting it over here. For now, just watch. We will do it later together. Just watch, have fun. What? Just understand. Don't think that what you dragged, what you did, all these things. The prompt that needs to be given to the AI agent needs to be the message that I have sent from Telegram, which is the reason why I am defining the same message I have dragged and I have dropped it here. Now let's execute this workflow and let's send hi and let's see. It has worked perfectly fine and you can see the output is generated. Hello, how can I assist you today? Isn't it amazing? Guys, we literally just changed the session ID. We just changed how to take input as an AI agent, take input from Telegram. Simple Memory will be having separate SAS session and it says, hello, how can I assist you today? There will be so many amazing moments this particular session. This particular session is gonna be a blast for you, trust me. Okay, perfect. Now that we can see that the output is coming over here, the output is hello, how can I assist you? I will be repeating all the steps again in the project hours, guys, in a very slow manner. Okay, we have dedicated project hours for this. So don't worry about it. Adding node, where to click, where to write whatever, everything will be covered in project hours in a very slow manner. For now, this session, this learning session is for logic building. Do you understand the logic? The logic is some chat message in Telegram. That message should be sent to AI agent. AI agent will be processing that message. It will be also checking in the memory and it will be giving the output like this. Okay, perfect. But a very good thing by Neeraj. Neeraj is saying, Swapnil, why exactly you're not showing the output in Telegram? Why exactly output is shown over here in AI agent? I want to see the output over here. How many of you want to see the output over there? Me. Yes, we want to see the output over there. There is no meaning of having a conversation where I send the chat from there and getting output over here, right? So for that, I will be adding one more node over here. What will be that node? That will be sending the output in Telegram. So for that, what I can use? I can either use a tool or I can have a separate node for that. So let me add a node of Telegram. What this Telegram node will do? This Telegram node will send a message. Where did it go? Send a text message. So this Telegram node, another node that I added, will be sending the message. Account will be same, Groot Telegram bot, message sender, Telegram message sender. I will name it Telegram message sender. What this will do? This will be sending the message. But what chat ID? It will be sending the message, but it will be sending to a specific chat ID, right? Whenever I chat with you, there is a thread, right? There is a thread. Like I am chatting with, let's suppose, Balakrishna. Balakrishna, I saw name in chat. See, if I am chatting with Balakrishna, there is a separate thread with Balakrishna and there is a separate chat thread with some other person like Jyoti, right? Two different people, two different chat ID. We can't merge these chat IDs, right? So I need to tell my AI agent to send message in which chat ID. What will be the chat ID? The chat ID will be nothing but this ID over here. You see, in Telegram trigger, the same ID from where I am getting the chat from. I got a hi from this chat ID. I need to reply in that chat ID only. Do you agree with me? In the same chat ID where I got the hi from, I need to reply in that chat ID only. So what I'll do is I will drag this and I'll drop it here. It's the same chat ID from where I got the message. Now what would be the text? What would be the text? Chat ID is fine. What would be the text? What would be the reply? The reply is the output that is generated by AI agent. So you see this AI agent output. Hello, how can I assist you today? They are showing the example also. So I will drag the output and I'll put it here. Everything is documented, guys. All the step by step process is there. Don't worry, I will be showing you again. For now, just try to see the logic building. So chat ID will be same. Text will be output from AI agent. Now I will close this and I will execute the workflow again and I will write hi. It says hi again. How I can help you today? We have finally got the output in our chat itself. Isn't it amazing, guys? I will say, I will again click on execute workflow, let's suppose, and I will write what is the capital of what? America? Let's see. Oh, I think someone else also sent the message, which is the reason why. Guys, please don't send messages, otherwise it will be very hard for me to track. Right? Please don't send messages. Let's focus on only watching. You guys promised me. If you will not do that, then there is no point. If you will start sending messages, then this workflow will not work, right? Again, I need to click execute workflow again and again. I know you guys are super excited for this, but for now, let's just do the demo and then you guys will be building your own AI employee, right? Let me execute the workflow. And the reply is there. The capital of United States of America is Washington. Perfect. Isn't it amazing? We literally asked it over here and we are getting the replies here. Yes, 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 yes. Sir, can it work if someone else text me? Or yes, you can also use this AI chatbot. For now, I'm just asking you not to do it because otherwise you will also be getting the reply. Okay, you can use the same chatbot in Telegram. You will be also getting the reply. And some people were asking that, hey Swapnil, do I need to keep on writing execute workflow, execute workflow? No, you don't need to kind of do this again and again. You can go to this publish, you can publish this and then you are done. Your workflow is published. You don't need to do anything now. If I'll just write hi, it will be giving me messages back. What is the capital? What is the capital of Italy? Now you guys can also try out. The capital of Italy is Rome. Try out this bot if you are in Telegram. Some of you are really excited to try out, so you can try out this as well. This is the Telegram bot. You can try to have a chat with this, and you will be getting the messages back. Hi, and whatever. What is your name? We need not click execute workflow again and again. I have published it. It says I am ChatGPT, your AI assistant. What are the skills you have? We have finally created a that can chat with us at least. Okay. Yeah, that is the reason why my OpenAI credits will be used. So please restrict. Yes. Okay, I can see that it has been eaten up, but it's fine. I can stop this. Okay, perfect. Let me click on unpublish and it is fine. Again, back to the edit mode. Okay, perfect. It is totally fine. I was just showing you one thing that how exactly this can be done. And this is how what skills you have and all these things you can try out with this. So let's suppose if I click on execute workflow, it is automatically replying to most of you. I can see a lot of people. How exactly I can see how many people has used my this AI assistant? I will show you where. If I go to overview, I can see the executions. You see there are so many people who executed Groot. If I click on this execution, you see there are so many people who has used this thing. Like Praveen has used, And you can see so many different people have used so many executions. You can see there are literally so many executions that happened with my AI agent, right? So did you guys try it out? Did you guys learn something new? First of all, tell me that did you learn something new? Did you have fun? Very new. We literally published it, and I published it for all of you because you all wanted to kind of try out and all these things, even though my OpenAI credits got ate up. But yeah, that's totally fine. For those of you who are saying I am unable to find GrootBot in Telegram, I can share the link with you later. For now, just focus on this. You will be literally able to create your own bot only. So there is no point in finding the GrootBot only. That's totally fine. Just enjoy the process and it will be fun. You will be repeating it. You will be literally doing it yourself in project hours. Are you excited to attend the project hours now? First, tell me that. How many of you are excited to create your own AI employee? I created one and I shared with you. How many of you are excited to create your own? Yes, 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 yes. Perfect. Yes, we can do it in WhatsApp as well. Similar steps. Okay. Perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, now that so many of you are mentioning that you want to try out this automation in your machines as well, we will finally move to the like amazing project hours. Okay, so we are finally moving to the project hours where we will be creating this ourselves. But before that, my friends, a small thing that is there. Okay. So finally, we are here with our project hours. Okay. In the project hours, you will be building this AI employee yourself. I will be assisting you how to do that. Okay. But before that, I want a small help from you. Did you guys enjoy the session till here? We literally created an AI employee. You guys chat with that AI employee. You guys saw how AI employee is replying to your chats and all these things. And we literally had not in N8N but in Telegram. It is crazy. But things are will be more crazy when AI agent will be sending mails on your behalf. AI agent will be creating meetings on your behalf. And all these things we will be doing together. But for that, the only support I need is your feedback. So my team will be sharing the feedback form in chat. Team, can you please share the feedback form? Because we are moving to the project hours now. I want one thing from you. Please, please, please fill the feedback form. If you liked the session, please mark it 5 rating. If you loved the session, if you thought that I was able to contribute to your knowledge somehow, you got to learn something new, please contribute. If you rate 5, I will be more than happy. And if you learned something new, if you enjoyed the session till here, we went ahead, we learned Telegram, how to connect Telegram, we learned about N8N and all these things. If you liked it, please rate the session 5, guys, because 5 rating only means super success. If you rate it 4, then obviously it's not success. Success, if you think that session was success till here, you have to rate it 5. So I want a 5 rating from everyone who understood till here. That is the support that you can show me. Okay, come on, show me your support. The feedback form is there. You can see a poll. Please, please, please fill the feedback form. Only this feedback form is something that I can go through. Okay, please fill the feedback form, rate it 5 if you like the session. Come on, come on, come on, quickly, quickly, quickly. I want this from you guys, everyone. After this, because we gonna have the amazing project tasks. In the project tasks, I will be helping you in your machine. I will be helping you one to one kind of a setup, that step by step, do this, do that, and all these things. But for that, we need to have full energy and full feedback should be there. I want everyone to fill the feedback form. Come on. Yes, it needs a lot of patience, trust me. And thankful to you. I'm really thanks to you that you guys are such an amazing audience. We'll be moving to another part of the session, but please, before that, you have to rate the session 5 if you like the session. Please rate it 5 because your feedback means a lot for me. Literally a lot. You can't even think. So please, please, please fill the feedback form. Yes, the feedback form would be there for some time now. Come on, fill the feedback form, guys, quickly, quickly. If you like the session, please rate it. Yes, we'll be taking a small break before the project task, but before that, let's quickly finish the feedback session. Please fill the feedback form, guys, quickly. Yes, for the credits part, I can show you how to get the AI credits. That totally fine. I will show you that, promise. Please fill the feedback form, guys, quickly. I want a feedback form filled by everyone. I can see around a lot of folks has not filled yet. Please, please, please rate it 5. Yes, I will be showing you the bonuses also after the feedback. Okay. Bonuses also. How many of you are waiting for bonus? Bonus, bonus. Yes, 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 yes. Come on. First fill the feedback form. You must be thinking, Swapnil, you are literally forcing us to fill the feedback. But yeah, trust me, something of this sort needs to be done because I need to have full feedback of your. It's there in your taskbar as polls and quizzes. Please make sure to fill it because that actually matters a lot. After this, I'll be showing you the bonuses also. There is a way to literally create an N8N workflow using just a prompt. How many of you want to learn that? We can literally give a prompt and the whole N8N workflow will be created. We will be doing that. Amazing? Yes, yes, yes. Perfect, perfect. Yes. Do you want my LinkedIn ID? I can share my LinkedIn ID as well. Swapnil LinkedIn. Okay, this is my LinkedIn profile. You can connect with me over LinkedIn. Just in case if I am not able to answer your queries here, you can connect with me here. Okay, perfect. Laziness is no longer overrated. Yeah, it's actually good. You need to be lazy. You need to make sure to learn how exactly to leverage these kinds of tools like N8N, Make, and all these things. So trust me, it's gonna be super fun. Okay, I think we have got good amount of feedback. If you're yet to fill the feedback, please, please, please fill the feedback form, guys. That is very much important. And then we will be having a small break. Post that. In the break, I want you to go through all these things, whatever is being taught, this Telegram thing and all these things. I'll also be showing you one document. Okay, Rishi, Vijay, everyone, I'll be showing you one document also. You have to just go through that document once and then we will be building it together. Does that sound good with everyone? I'll be sharing you a document as well. It will be fun. We'll be having one document and all these things would be there. Perfect. Project task is super important, guys. If you want literally build something, please build in project tasks. Okay. Perfect. A team, we can end the poll now. Thank you so much for filling the feedback, guys. Okay. Perfect. Just give me a minute. Okay. Awesome. Perfect. Yes, I'll be sharing the notes as well. Okay. Perfect. So the yes, for now we are moving to the project task. So in what is the process of the project task? We will be building it together. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's first remove all the random tabs and we will be creating one new bot only. So these are the step by step things, the steps or the instructions that we will be following in the project task. This project task would be long. Okay, I'm giving you a caution beforehand only that this project task is gonna be really long. What is your question, Kevin? So because everyone wants to build together. So even if you are going little bit faster, please make sure that we are a team here. Every one of us, we are a team. We will be building everything together. Okay. So the first step, everything that I already taught you, that open Telegram, bot father, click on start, and all these things is there. Congratulations. You have to copy this, set up Telegram trigger, set up AI agent, and all these things is present over here. Okay. Perfect. I'll be sharing this link with you guys. This link has some additional stuff as well that I'll be teaching in tomorrow's session, but I'm just sharing it with you so that you guys can go through this document. There's the document. And this I think is a prerequisite, but still it is not required. Okay. So this is what we'll be covering in the project hours. Okay, perfect. This sounds good. Now that we have a clear cut idea what needs to be done, I hope you guys are able to access the link. You guys are able to access the link? Yes, 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 yes. Perfect. Okay. Now we will be having a small break. How much time you want? I think I generally give 15 minutes break, but in this break, I want you to go through this whole document. Okay. Try to see what exactly are the steps. And then after this break, we will go ahead and we'll build this. I think 10 minutes break is fine. Everyone, 10 minutes break is fine for reading through this document. I want you to read this document, guys, please. 10 minutes or 15 minutes? Okay, most of the folks are asking 15 minutes. You just have to go through this document, guys. So yeah, fine. Take 15 minutes, but and also like it's one. So if you want to kind of go refresh, okay, go to the loo or maybe like eat something, go ahead, do it. 15 minutes is fine. Post that. I want full energy in the session. Do you guys promise full energy in the session after the break? Everyone, yes? Quickly. I want the same energy, guys. Yes, 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 yes. Same energy. Perfect, perfect. Only those people who wants to build it can go to the project hours, can attend the project hours. It will be the same thing that I showed in a slower version. For those of you who think that you have already built, you can drop off. That's totally fine. Please make sure only attend the project hours if you want to build it in your machine. If you haven't built it, I will be showing you the whole process from Telegram till the end. Okay. Let me start with the break timer, and your break time starts now. Please go through this document, guys, and we will meet again after 15 minutes. Okay, perfect. Post 15 minutes. Yes, 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 yes. See you guys after 15 minutes. Come on. Okay, it's time now. Time up. Hello, everyone. Hi, folks. Hello, hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Hello, folks. So I said in the session that I would be starting everything from scratch, and nothing of that sort, that the login and all these parts, everything will be scratch. So I am pretty much sure that Josh is high, because I literally gave you a long break in order to refresh, in order to come back, so that you will be full of Josh, full of energy, in order to build your first ever AI employee. So, are you guys ready? Excited for building your first ever AI employee? Come on, show me the excitement in chat quickly. Perfect, 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 perfect. Excited, excited. Yes, 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 yes. I'll be showing you from NA10 login, so don't worry at all. Some people are saying NA10 login is not working and all these things. Don't worry at all, guys. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Now that we are ready, sorry, let's just get started. Let's move ahead. So the first thing that we will be doing is, we let me start with this part only. So you have to go to na10.io. This is our first step. Okay, go to na10.io. This is step one. We will be counting the steps. Okay, step one done. So can you write step one done? Because I think na10 must be kind of already be known to you guys, but still I would want you to help you to for like login and all these things. Step one done. Go to this particular link, na10.io. Click on sign in. The next step, clicking on sign in. So when you click on sign in, I'll just sign out in order to show you that how exactly it would be showing you. So it will be asking you na10 account name like this. Okay. Is it showing you like this, everyone? You're able to see something like this, sign in with na10 cloud. You have to click on start a free trial. You have to click on start a free trial, where it's asking company name. So most of you guys got confused that, hey Swapnil, I don't have a company. How can I write a company name? So you can write your own email address only. It's not like company email address or something of that sort is required. Your own personal email address also works. Like whatever your email address, abc at the rate gmail.com, you can write. Okay, abc at the rate gmail.com, you can write the same email address over here as well to confirm. abc at the rate gmail.com, you can write your full name as abc. You can set up a good password, like I'll just write abc, and account name also you can write abc1234, whatever you want to set up. Okay, and you can click on start free 14-day trial. This is the first phase that we need to complete. ABC company email, you can write your personal email also, and click on start free 14-day trial. Okay. After clicking on this, write done in chat. After you click on this and everything is successful, write done in chat. Okay. I'll go back and sign in. So after done with this, you will be able to see your dashboard like this. If you're not seeing, just click on this home button, overview. If you click on this overview button, you will be able to see something of this sort. Right? Are you able to see? In your screen, not in my screen. In your local machine. You will be able to see overview like this. You have to write your personal email only. Yeah, whatever. Welcome, Caroline. Like basically, you have to click on this overview in order to kind of see the screen. Okay. Yes. Once you click over here in overview, this button, you will be able to see this. Yeah, the screen could be different. That's totally fine. It should be writing like create your first workflow or something like that. You might be welcome with such sort of a screen. I'm trying to find. That's totally fine. Like you can go to the screen anytime by clicking on this home button. Yes, you got it. This home button, everyone got it. This home button, press over here. This button. I'll increase the font. This home button you have to click. Everyone, this home button, this is the overview. You will be able to see the overview like this. How to make it black background as mine? That's kind of because I have dark mode, which is the reason why it's showing dark. So you can change it from the preferences. For you, it might be light mode or something like that. So are you able to see this screen now, guys? Are you able to see this screen now in your machine? I'll go slow. Take your time. Take your time. For account creation, I have already told you click on sign in and you have to click on start a free trial. Okay. You click on sign in. You have to click on start a free trial and you have to fill this form. Company email, you can write your personal email as well. Okay. And the moment you hit start 14-day free trial, you will be able to see, you'll be able to log in into N8 then you have to click on overview. Till here we have covered. Everyone, yeah, it's showing run live demo and start from scratch. That's fine. Can you click on this home button? It might be like showing you something of this sort, right? But I am asking you to click on this button. It might be showing you something of this sort, right? Yes. So I asked you to click on overview. That's it. Everyone is able to see the overview. For you, nothing would be here. Like this will be empty. This one only. Home button is overview button, guys. Okay, fine. Let it be. Are you able to see this screen at least? Are you able to see this screen at least? Everyone agree with me? This screen you are able to see? Yes, 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 yes. Everyone? Yes, my screen is zoomed, obviously, like for you guys. Okay, so I will be moving to the next step. I will be moving to the next step. What is the next step? Next step is creating our Telegram trigger. Okay, so I'll be clicking on add first step, and over here, add first step, I will be searching for Telegram. Have you searched for Telegram, guys? I clicked on add and then I searched for Telegram here. The moment I search for Telegram, if I'll click over here, I will be able to see options that what trigger you want to use of Telegram. Okay. So what I will do is I will click on message. We'll click on message. Okay. The moment I clicked on message, something like this will open. Right, everyone? I will go slow because I know you guys are shifting screens. Okay. For those of you who are thinking you missed, recordings will be provided to you, so don't worry at all. Okay, try to follow. So it's saying credentials to connect with. Is everyone able to see this part? Credentials to connect with? Yes, 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 yes. Perfect. So what we will do is we will add a new credential. I'll click on this drop down and we will click on create new credential. And this will open. This screen will get open. Did this open for everyone? Guys, I'm doing super slow because we can't do repeat. Okay. Because otherwise, what will happen is we have to start from scratch. So, this is the reason why I'm trying to go as slow as possible. Like, ultimate slow, I am going. So, please try to follow. I'm giving you a lot of time at each step. Okay. I am doing it one more time from scratch for some of you because some of you is asking. I'll do it from scratch. This is the scratch. I'm doing it again, but this is the last time. Why I'm saying this? Because if we keep on doing this, then we will be stuck at the start only. Okay. So everyone, I'm doing it again. Full attention. Can I get quick yes in chat? I'm not gonna repeat this again. I'll go slow. Yes, 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 yes. We click on add first step. We search for Telegram. We click on Telegram. In Telegram, we click on message action. Okay. Till here, let's first you guys do. If you are done, write done. Till here, if you are done. I'll wait for a minute for everyone to be till here. Okay. Perfect. Now the next thing we will be doing is we have to add a Telegram credential. So we will be clicking on this drop down. We will be clicking on create new credential. Okay. And it will show screen something like this. Everyone is able to see the screen. Ultimate slow I am going, guys. Now, if some people are rushing a lot, sir, I have created Telegram access token, but still not working, then if you are rushing, then I can't help you. You have to go with the class. Otherwise, if you'll ask me something, some doubt of like after creating the workflow, then I won't be able to answer. This is the reason why I said it will be slow. Please be here. Okay. Let's make sure that we are a team here. We have to act as a team. Right? Perfect. So we have created Telegram account too. Let's rename this. Okay. You can rename this based on your bot or anything. So let's suppose I am naming my bot PA bot 7 or something like what? Thor. Let's name this bot Thor. Thor. So I have named it Thor. Thor is another Marvel character. Okay. So what I did in order to rename, I just double clicked over here and renamed it as Thor or whatever you want to name it. But it is asking for access token. How can I get access token over here? How can I get access token over here? All the questions I'll be asking, answering how to remove the footer and all these things. But in order to get the access token, we have to log into Telegram. Firstly, you have to create an account in Telegram. Okay. I am sharing this link with you guys. I already mentioned this as a prerequisite in the prerequisite part, that you have to have a Telegram account, right? In the prerequisite, I mentioned that you have to create a Telegram account if you don't have already, and ensure you have logged in, be it mobile or web. If you don't have an account, go to Telegram and create an account. Okay, create an account. Let me show you how you can create an account. So for creating a Telegram account in your Telegram web, you need to make sure that you have Telegram app in your phone. Once you have Telegram app in your phone, you have to link that to Telegram web. Okay. So I'll give you 5 minutes for creating Telegram account. I'll give you 5 minutes for creating Telegram account. Again, I'm asking guys, please don't ask me any step of future, any doubt of future. Let's be in present. Let the class come till there, then I'll be answering. Okay, that makes much more sense. Yes, let's go with the class. Otherwise, it will be very you see there are chunk of questions, something from future, something from past, something from present, then it will be very hard to answer. I'm trying my best to make sure that we are with the class. Okay, everyone with the class, create a Telegram account and log in. Once you log in, you will be able to see something like this, like all these chats removed, like your account, something like this. Okay. So create your Telegram account like this. Okay. I'll give you 5 minutes for creating your Telegram account. Oh, guys, you are scanning my only. Don't scan my. You have to go to Telegram web. I can see Kashvi and Bhartesh is scanning my this thing, my QR. No, no, don't scan my QR. This is fun. Don't scan my QR. I'll have to remove these now. I'll log out Kashvi and the other one. Don't scan mine. You have to go to Telegram web and scan your own. Okay. By that, I meant you have to go to web.telegram.org, this link. And once you go to this link, I'll show you in this way. I'll show you in incognito, Telegram, this link, web.telegram.org, right? You have to go to this link and whatever QR is coming up, don't scan my QR, whatever QR is coming up, you have to scan that QR from your phone. Okay, scan that QR from your phone, not my QR. Scan that QR from your phone. Go to this link, scan this QR, open Telegram in your phone and link it, so that you would be able to see something of this sort. Okay. Yeah, you can log in using phone number also instead of QR scanning. Yes. Once you have a Telegram account, write Telegram account created. Write Telegram account created once you have created the Telegram account. That's totally okay. You can do it in your phone as well. No problem with that. You can do it in your phone as well. No problem in that. It's not like you have to do it in your web only. Because in phone, it's hard for me to show you. Go to this link, create your Telegram account, write Telegram account created once you're done. Okay, it's 5 minutes already. So let's move ahead now. The next thing that you will be doing is going to the search. Okay, going to the search and searching for bot father. Going to the search, be it in your phone or mobile, phone or mobile, I am saying phone or laptop, search for bot father. Bot father search and click on this chat. Search for bot father, click on this chat, you will be able to see something of this sort, right? Bot father, no messages here yet, start, right? Make sure it's the verified one, guys. Thank you so much, Ankur. Bot father, make sure this verified one with this verified badge. Okay. Bot father searched. Everyone, it's just bot father. That's it. This account. Yes, in chats. Search in chats. It will be visible like this. Yes. Perfect. Now we'll click on start. Click on start. What will happen? A message will pop up, right? I can help you create, manage Telegram bots if you are new to bot API and all these things. Are you able to see this message in your screens as well? When you click on start? Yes, 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 yes. Perfect. So what we will do is we'll click on this slash new bot. This one. We'll click on this slash new bot. Just one click. And what will happen? It will ask, all right, a new bot. How are we gonna call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Okay. Let's focus on Telegram right now, Anil. Anytime we do it later. Okay. Let's first create the bot. Okay. So it's saying, all right, a new bot. What do you want to name the bot? Name the bot anything. Like I will name the bot as Thor. We'll name the bot as Thor. Okay. The moment I name the bot as Thor, if you're not getting bot father by searching, you can go to this link. Just in case you're not getting bot father by searching, you can go to this link as well. For those of you who are not able to search. Now, Thor, it's asking create a username. So I'll name it Thor. And again, 2026 01 24 bot. Okay. Perfect. You don't need to name same. You can name it anything like your choice. If you are searching the correct bot father, if you are doing all these things in correct bot father, you will be able to create till here, guys. If you are not getting till here, you might be doing with wrong bot father. So this is the correct bot father. I have sent the link. Okay. Now we have got the access token over here. Let's copy this access token. How can we copy this? Just click on this access token. It will be copied. Name it whatever. Name it whatever. Just click on this access token. It says code copied to clipboard. Copy this access token. Write access token copied. Not getting username, try to write a complex number, right? Obviously, whatever username you want, someone might have been used. So what I did is I chose today's date, Thor 2026-01-24. In such case, that date, obviously this username you will be getting, right? Access token copied. Now that access token is copied, we will go back to our NA10 workflow, and over here it wanted the access token. I will paste the access token over here. Okay, and we will click on save. After clicking on save, it will show me a green bar, connection tested successfully. Are you able to see till here, everyone? You can name whatever you want, guys. If the username is invalid, you have to give it a username that is not used by anyone, right? If I go to Instagram, I write Virat Kohli username. Obviously, Virat Kohli username I won't be getting because it is used by Virat Kohli. We have to write a unique username in that case, which is the reason why I said you can append today's date or write whatever you want, a unique one. And obviously, username should end with underscore bot. If you are not doing underscore bot, you have to make sure underscore bot is there, ending with bot. If you are not doing, then you will be getting invalid. You have to make sure to do like this. Okay. Is connection successful for everyone? After creating bot, I copied this access token and I pasted it here in NA10. Yes, yes, yes. After pasting, what to do? You click on save. After pasting, you click on save. If you are doing it the way I am saying, then it will be successful and it will be showing connected successfully. Perfect. Now just click on this cross. Save के बाद you have to just wait for this prompt to come, connected successfully. Okay. Once it is connected successfully, click on cross. This means Thor is connected successfully and we can click on this cross again. We can go back. And we are here with our Telegram trigger ready. Right? How do I test if this Telegram trigger is ready or not? How do I test if this Telegram trigger is ready or not? We click on execute workflow and we send a message here. Message where? Not in the bot father. Some people what they do is they send message in bot father, but we have to send message in our this account, this bot. How do I go to my bot? I click on this link which bot father gave me. I click on start. You will be able to see start successful. This success will be there. I'll click on execute workflow again. I will click on hi over here. Hi will be received here again. Right? Yes. You have to click on execute workflow step first. Always. Until and unless we are publishing it. Once we have published it, it's fine. Working? Perfect. Logs are not visible below. You can get the logs. You can get the logs by clicking over here or press L. If you press L, the logs will be visible. Press L. You will be able to see that hi has come. Messages are flowing successfully. How do I check? I click on execute workflow. I go to Telegram. I write I am Swap. I go back. I see workflow executed successfully. I am Swap has come over here. It shows Telegram success. Yes, it shows waiting for the trigger event, but you have to, what is meaning of Monica waiting for the trigger event? Means it is waiting for you to send message. So you go to Telegram, send message and see if it is coming here or not. I can see a lot of folks are saying it is working for them. That's very good. If you have set up correctly, you won't be facing any problem till here. Credentials, I already told you that you have, I am repeating again. Credentials, you click on create new credentials. You paste the credentials that Botfather has given to you. You click on save and it will be connected. Where to press L? Nowhere. Just press L. That's it. That's totally fine. Logs are not required, guys. If you are not able to see, that's totally fine. Put L, press L on keyboard. Yes, that's right. In your keyboard, press L in your keyboard. Logs will be coming like this. Okay, let's move ahead to the next one. What is the next thing? What is the next thing we will be doing? The next thing we will be doing is adding an AI agent. So let's add an AI agent. Okay. We have added an AI agent like this. I'll show you again. Wait. So for those of you who are very much concerned, Swapnil, I'm stuck at this step. Don't worry. Recording will be provided to you. Try to see the other steps, guys. Otherwise, you'll fall behind. Recording will be provided just in case you're stuck. Try to see the other parts as well. At least note them down. Okay. So after getting the messages, we will be connecting a AI agent. How exactly we'll be doing? You see this plus sign over here, this plus sign? We'll be clicking on this plus sign. Okay. And we'll be searching in the, what happens next? We'll be searching for AI agent. Okay. We'll be searching for AI agent. And then we click on AI agent, and AI agent setup will be there in front of us. Are you able to come till this screen? After this, I'll tell you. Let's stop at this screen. I can see everyone has come till here. Very good. Okay, perfect. Now, we have to change the source for prompt. We have to change the source from prompt. Currently, the source for prompt is set to connected chat trigger node. Is this correct, guys? No. What is connected chat trigger node? That is chat trigger node. We have connected to Telegram. So we need to make sure that we are getting the messages from Telegram. So instead of this, I will click on define below. And what would be the prompt? The prompt will be message from Telegram. But how do I write message from Telegram? How do I write message from Telegram? I can't write something like this, right? I can't write message from Telegram. How exactly it will know what is message from Telegram? I will be getting this part, this text. You see this text over here, T? In your Telegram trigger, you get a T. I will be dragging this and dropping this here and clicking on enter. Like clicking outside. What I did is, I'll show you again. This was the scenario. I dragged this one, text. I dragged text and I put it here. That's it. I don't need to do anything else. I dragged the text that we have got from Telegram and I am putting it in the prompt. Is it done? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Perfect. After this, we have to just close. Close. Our AI agent is ready. Our AI agent is ready. Now, we have to create brain for this AI agent. Trigger is fine. We have got the AI agent. Till now, what we have done, guys? Till now, message is coming from Telegram and we are giving this message to AI agent. But this AI agent, in order to process this, we have to connect it to a chat model, right? We have to connect it to a chat model. So let's do that. I'll click on this plus sign. Okay. And we will search OpenAI here. Okay. We'll search for OpenAI. So far, so good. You are able to see OpenAI here. Yes, 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 yes. I'll click on this OpenAI chat model and over here, it will ask me credentials to connect with. When you will also be getting this option, N8N free OpenAI API credits. Are you getting this option? N8N free OpenAI API credits. Yes. Are you getting this option? You must be getting this option. Yes. Then just select that option. Yes, you have to click on claim credits. You have to click on claim credits above. There will be an option to claim credits. NA10 gives credits and all these things, claim credits. If you will claim credits, then you will be able to see NA10 free OpenAI API credits here. Got it? Perfect. Now, there will be an option above this one only of claiming credits. I have already claimed, so I'm not getting. After this, we don't need to do anything. We will just click on cross. You can change the model if you want. Yes. You can click on cross. And we are done with Open AI chat model. Chat model is connected. Okay. Can you write chat model connected in chat if you are done till here? Perfect. Very good, guys. Superb. You guys are amazing. You guys are really talented. I'll click on what is the next thing that we'll be doing? Our AI agent has the brain, but it needs also memory. So I'll click on memory. And after clicking on memory, I'll just click on simple memory. Okay. After clicking on memory, I will click on simple memory. And after this, this will open. After this, this will open. That system prompt we will do later. Okay, Ravi. System prompt we will do later. You just follow till here, step by step. I will repeat again. What I did is I clicked on memory and I clicked on simple memory and we are able to see this screen. Are you able to see this screen in your machines? Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Again, it says session ID connected chat trigger node. Is this correct, my friends? This session ID? No, this is a different session ID. We have to define it. So I'll click over here and I'll click on define below. And the key, I will be simply writing Thor because this is a session ID of Thor bot. I'll simply write Thor. Okay, everyone, you can write your name, your bot name, whatever, just a unique name. That's it. Define and then click on cross. So we have Telegram, Trigger, AI agent, OpenAI chat model, simple memory, everything ready to roll. Everyone understood till here? Yes, you can name it anything. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, you please follow along. At the end, I will show one more time. Many people are asking, can you please show one more time? At the end, I will repeat the whole process one more time. Does that sound good to you? You're happy now? At the end, I'll quickly do a quick recap also from scratch. But for now, please follow. Perfect. So we have Telegram trigger ready, AI agent ready, OpenAI chat model ready, simple memory ready. Let's go ahead and let's test this workflow. Yeah, that's totally fine. You can put any name, Sabu. Let's click on execute workflow. Let's go to AI, this Telegram chat. Let's say I am Swapnil. What does it say? You will be able to see that this whole setup ran successfully. This whole setup ran successfully. Okay. I will click on execute this part. You see this whole setup ran successfully. When I clicked on I am Swapnil, this whole setup ran successfully. In order to see the output, we can simply double click on AI agent and we saw the output is hello Swapnil, how can I assist you today? How I saw the output, even if logs is not coming for you or something like that, you can double click on AI agent and you will be able to see this. Or you'll be able to see output here as well. Okay. Now our task is to get this output in Telegram. Am I right, guys? We have got the output. We have got everything running. We have to just send this output in Telegram. What we will be doing for that? We will be adding one more node here, and that node will be sending messages. So I'll be adding Telegram. What I did is I'll repeat again. I clicked on this plus sign, this plus sign. I search for Telegram. I'll click on Telegram, but this time I want send a message. You see, there is an option of send a text message here in Telegram. Send a text message. You have to click on this send a text message. You have to make sure to run once before this. You have to run once before this. Okay. Send a text message. Okay. Fine. Inside the send a text message, we have to tell in which chat ID. I'll repeat again. No problem. I repeat again. What I did is I clicked on this plus. I went to Telegram. I searched for Telegram basically. Click on Telegram and click on send a text message. You can search also. Send a text message. Send, what will be the action? The action will be send a text message. You have got this screen, guys, everyone? Do it. Take your time. No hurry. Take your time, guys. I told you not to click on tool. I told you to click on that plus sign node. Okay. Not tool, but the node. Then we have to define in which chat thread. Obviously, we have to make sure that the credentials is same. The credentials is Thor. It is showing me Thor because I named it Thor. If you didn't name it, it will show you Telegram account. Okay, that's totally fine. I named this connection. I manually named it to Thor. It's not like it automatically happened, Kiran. I manually named it, which is the reason why it is showing me Thor. If you will not name it, it will show you Telegram account or something like that. Telegram account 1, Telegram account 2, whatever. Okay. Now that we have, you might have not saved it in that case. Now that we have got this Telegram node, we have to send messages. But we have to send messages in which chat ID? Can anyone tell me which chat ID we have to send messages to? The chat ID of Telegram message. The Telegram trigger. The Telegram trigger had a ID, chat ID, right? The Telegram trigger, if you will drop it down, the Telegram trigger has a chat ID. We have to drag and drop it there. We have to drag and drop it here. Yes, it will work as a self-hosted version. Yes, Pratik. And what is the text that we have to send, guys? We have decided that which chat to send the reply. But what is the reply? We have to send the output of AI agent. So I'll check the output of AI agent and I will put it here. I drag this one and I put it here. Okay. Perfect. For those of you who might have lost, you can watch the recording, guys. No problem in that. For now, just focus the steps. Repeat output, I can repeat it again. So chat ID part is clear. For output, there will be an option of AI agent. I just got the output from here. Dragged and dropped, that's it. My agent name is not showing. A very good problem. This is a problem, right? Why exactly your agent name is not showing up? Because my friends, you did not run. When I said you have to make sure to execute the workflow, you did not execute the workflow, which is the reason why it is not showing here. Okay. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. You guys did not execute the workflow. Let's delete this node. Let's do it again. Till here, is everything all right? Tell me, I deleted the whole node. I'll do it again. You guys were not getting AI agent option because you did not execute workflow. You have to make sure everything is running at each and every step. Before adding a node, you have to make sure everything is working. So I'll click on execute workflow. I'll go to Telegram. I will write hi. What will happen? It says bad request. Let's see what happened. Must be my AI. Like yeah, free credits is all used up. See, now my free credits are all used up. I won't be able to use the free credits now. Now things will again go much complex. I don't want you to go through this. Okay, I will be using Gemini, but I want for you, you don't do anything. Now I will stop my screen share for some time. Otherwise, what will happen is you guys will also get confused that what is Swapnil doing. I need to change my OpenAI model because my OpenAI credits got finished. Okay, I don't want to increase confusion. Okay, perfect. Let me stop screen share and let me fix it myself. And then I will show it to you later. So I'll be using a see, I will not stop screen share. I can do it with screen share also. But again, you will be confused. So I don't want that. So if you are patient enough to just keep quiet and see what is happening, then I am fine. Do you want that? Then I'll keep my screen share open. Otherwise, you will get confused and you will do the same thing. Then you will say, Swapnil, you did that and that didn't work. We don't want that. Otherwise, it will keep on and on till night. This session will go on. Okay. I'm not doing it. I'm just doing it quietly. You guys just watch along. All these things will be provided to you in form of video, which is the reason why I am not explaining you right now here. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm doing nothing but I'm creating a new Gemini key. Account. I'll have to do it with a separate account. So let's see if the key is successful or not. We have created the API key. Let's see if it will be working or not. So I'll just put it here. Save. Perfect. Connection tested successfully. Now I will be using this different. Let's see by executing the workflow. Hi. Perfect. It is working now. Okay. Let's get back to our course text thing. Okay. What I did over here will be provided to you how to generate API key and all these things. I'm not covering in this session. It is just that earlier I was using OpenAI model, but that model free credits got finished, which is the reason why I changed it to Gemini. Okay. Perfect. Now what I was mentioning is till here we created a Telegram trigger. We created an AI agent. We created one open AI or chat model, whatever. We created a simple memory. Now, till here, what is the process? We have to execute the workflow in order to go ahead. So I'll click on execute workflow. I will write what is the capital of Karnataka. But it didn't reply me here. It didn't reply me here, but the workflow got successful. How do I see the workflow got successful or not? I will see the logs. In the logs, if I click on AI agent, I click on AI agent, it's saying capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru, also known as Bangalore. Okay. This means that my workflow is working perfectly fine. Is this happening for you as well? You have to execute workflow, check if you are getting the output or not. Are we on same page till here? Are we on same page till here? Yes, yes, yes. What is the next thing? What is the next thing that we need to do? Till now, we have got the message. We AI agent is processing the message. It is getting the message output from AI, this thing, and it is giving it here. This is the output. But we have to give this output to Telegram again. We have to send this to Telegram again. Am I right, guys? We have to send this to Telegram, right? Yes. So let's do this. What I will do is I will click on this plus. We'll be creating one more node that will be for sending Telegram messages. So this plus, and we will be searching for Telegram. And what action? Send message action. Send message action. Send a text message. I'll click on it. This way you will come to this screen. Are you able to see this screen in your machines? Now, are you able to see the input also? Earlier, you were not able to see the input, right? Now, are you able to see AI agent, Telegram trigger, all these input also, right? Earlier, पहले तुम लोगों को नहीं दिख रहा था. You were not able to see this output, right? This is the output of AI agent. So, chat ID, in chat ID, I will be putting the same chat ID of Telegram. That is this ID. I'll dragging and dropping here. Dragging and dropping here. Okay. So chat ID is done. What will be the text that we need to put? What will be the text that we need to put? The output. If you ran the workflow successfully, you will be able to see the output. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. And we are done, my friends. We are done. We will click on this cross. I'll click on execute workflow and we'll go to Telegram web. I'll ask hi. It'll say hello Swapnil, welcome back. I will click on execute workflow again. In fact, you can go ahead and publish it as well. I'll go ahead and publish it. We'll go ahead and click on publish. I published it. Now I can go ahead and keep on chatting. Hi, I am not Swapnil. I am Abhishek. My apologies, Abhishek. Thank you so much for connecting with me. It seems I got confused and mixed up and all these things. You can ask, what is the capital of India? It says the capital of India is New Delhi. But if I'll ask, what is the who is the PM of USA? Who is the PM of USA? What it will say? It will say the current Prime Minister of United States is Joe Biden, which is wrong. Isn't it wrong, guys? What do you think? Yes. First of all, before moving ahead, are you guys having fun chatting with your own AI chatbot? Are you guys having fun? First, tell me this, that you literally created something and it is chatting with you. It's fun, isn't it? Perfect, perfect. What does publish do? Publish makes it active. Publish makes it active throughout. It makes it active throughout. You need not click on execute workflow again and again and again and again. right? You can just click on publish and it will be published. But in order to make sure these things are fixed, like what is the date today? Today's date is June 11, 2024, which is wrong, which is according to Gemini. But we have to instruct our AI agent that this is wrong. So for that, what we will do is we'll double click over here. We will double click on AI agent. Are you following, guys? We'll double click on AI agent. We'll click on add option and we'll click on system message. And in the system message, I will write current date and time is dollar. Where is the dollar, man? Dollar now. That's it. You have to just paste this thing. Current date and time is dollar now. I will repeat this parameter. I will repeat this parameter. What I did is after that, I double clicked on AI agent. In the options part, I clicked on add option and I chose system message. In the system message, I'll remove this and I'll write current date and time is dollar now. That's it. Okay. I will repeat again. One final time I'm repeating. This is AI agent. I double clicked over here. In the options section, I add a new option that is system message. Okay. And we are writing current date and time is dollar now. That's it. No, it's not necessary to remove the previous system prompt. That's totally fine. If you want, you can keep it. And then we will click on cross. And we will click on publish. We will click on publish again. Then let's try out. What is the date today? Okay, we didn't execute. We published before executing, which is the reason why we are getting wrong. We have to execute first. We didn't execute. So we have to unpublish first. We have to execute first. So it's always good to make sure that you're unpublishing and then publishing. Okay. So I'll execute workflow and then I'll ask, what is the date today? It will say, oh, wait, it is doing wrong. Today is June 11, 2024. Current date and time is now. Okay. Let's see if there is a problem here. It is working for you guys? Yes. For some of you, it might be working. I think some mistake might have done. So unpublished, you'll be getting option over here. This three dots, you will be getting options as unpublished. Okay. I think for most of you, it will be working. Okay. For most of you, it will be working. Yep. That's fine. So this is the whole thing. Yes. It is published. You can publish. In order to unpublish, you can just do a right click over here and unpublish over here. Then it will be unpublished. Okay. Perfect. You have to make sure this system prompt is there in order to get the time and all these things ready. Now, if I execute the workflow, I'll write, hey, it will say, hi, how can I help you today? Like this. Okay. It's working perfectly and smoothly. If I publish it, Then I can keep on like having a conversation with this guy. What is the capital of Africa? Then it will ask, obviously, Africa is not a country or something like that. Yeah. So this is the whole thing. Okay, a good question by this. This message was sent automatically with N8, and how to remove this? How many of you wants to remove this? How many of you doesn't want this? Because it is not looking good, right? It is not looking good, right? How many of you wants to remove this? Let's see. So how do we do that? Let's first unpublish. Can we go ahead and unpublish, guys, together? Double click here and there will be an option of unpublish. Let's do unpublish. Now we are again at normal state, unpublished state. What we will do is in the AI agent or maybe in the text message, you see this send text message. I'll double click over here. You see this additional fields. Again, try to see. I unpublished. How to unpublish? Go to settings. There will be an option of unpublish. Okay. I double clicked over here. Are you able to see this screen now in your machine after double clicking the send chat? Yes. What we will do is we will go to additional properties and we'll click on add field. And in the add field, there is a field named append n8n attribution. Are you able to see this in your screen? I'll give you a minute. Yes. And we have to just turn it off. That's it. We have to just turn it off. That's it. I'll repeat this part again. I'll repeat this part again. Till here, so far here, so good. What I did is I double clicked on send a text message, and in the properties, I clicked on append n8n attribution and I turned it off. That's it. Everyone turned it off. Everyone turned it off. Yes. I'll repeat again. I in the additional fields, I searched for append n8n attributions and I turned it off. And then we have to just close. Execute workflow. I will write, hi, I am Swapnil. We got a reply. Hello, Swapnil. It's nice to meet you. How can I assist you today? And the N8N, this thing, sent by N8N and all these things is gone. No one will ever know that there is a N8N AI agent that is working behind this. It will be as simple as a chatbot, as a person who is working. You can go ahead and publish this and keep on chatting. What is your name, bro? I don't have a name, Swapnil. I'm a large language model. Are you my assistant? And the messages are no more of that sort. Yeah. So the thing is that the current affairs and all these things, AI always have bad data. So if you are thinking of that, a very good question. Swapnil, you mentioned that you can fix the Joe Biden and all these issues with this thing by mentioning the date and all these things. But it is still not fixing, right? Who is the PM of USA? So see, it's showing United States President is Joe Biden. The issue is still not fixed, right? Everyone agree? The issue is still not fixed. Then you will be asking Swapnil, you gave us that now and all these things, but it is still not fixing because the data, the knowledge that our GPT have, the LLM have, it's old knowledge. How to make sure this is current? there is a trick for that. So are you ready for your first ever bonus of this session? The first bonus of this session. Are you ready? Yes, 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 yes. Ready? Let's do one thing. Let's unpublish this. Let's unpublish this. And then what we will do is we will go to our Google Gemini chat model. Okay. And over here, like for me, it is Gemini, so it is not showing. But for ChatGPT, this hack is there. For ChatGPT, you will be able to see an option of web search. You will be able to see an option of web search in the free version of ChatGPT. Also, you will be seeing an option of web search that I am not able to see here because it's Gemini. But if you do that, that will be resolved for you. And it will be literally giving you the current affairs data by doing a web search. Okay. I can show you. Wait, let me show you by like keeping this. I'll not run it. I'll just show you randomly. Open AI. I am talking about this option, web search. If you double click over there and click on web search, it will literally be doing web search for all the queries and it will be giving you the current data. For me, the free credit is done. So today, I'll skip this showcase, but I will give you a quick task. I have given you a bonus. You guys can try out what I did. I'll quickly show you again that in the built-in tools in your OpenAI model, you just click web search and close it and then run. It will work perfectly fine. There's a small trick that I'm giving you. I got the correct response. Perfect. Very good, Manoj. Very good. Perfect. So you see OpenAI chat model. If I double click, I set it to web search. It will be giving you current affairs as well. What I did, I will repeat it again. I just double clicked on OpenAI chat model. You forget about this Gemini. You forget about Gemini. You just see this. Your this whole setup will also be looking like this. It worked for me as well. Very good, Shiva. I double clicked on OpenAI and in the built-in tools, I added one built-in tool that is web search. What is the benefit of this? This will be doing web search of my query. Like when I search who is the president of United States, it will be giving me the current affairs knowledge. Okay. And it will be working perfectly fine. And I'm pretty much sure for most of you, it will be working. Yes, it worked. Perfect. Perfect. I am really excited that I am the one who introduced this hack, this bonus to you guys. I'm really happy that you guys came till this, came till here, and throughout we worked it out together. This is super amazing, right? This is super amazing. Perfect. Did you guys enjoy this session throughout? Tell me now. I know it went little bit long, but you learned something new. I will be talking about the bonus in next session also, so don't worry about it. Yes, it was a good session. Perfect. I will be repeating the whole process tomorrow when we will be starting the session. I will be doing a recap. So don't worry about it at all. Try to go through the steps. If you might have missed some part, I will be doing a recap tomorrow as well. So don't worry at all. We'll be doing a lot of fun tomorrow. So please, please, please be charged up. Come tomorrow and we'll be having full of excitement and full of energy. Okay. And we'll be back for all this. Now, I want one request from you guys. Did you guys think that I provided you with all the knowledge, everything, and you enjoyed this session? Can I get a yes if you enjoyed it throughout? Now, I want one thing from your side. There will be one more time a feedback session. Feedback form will be provided. You have to fill that feedback form again because this will be the feedback form of the this project hours. Okay. So please, please, please make sure to fill the feedback form. Team, can you please run the another feedback form? Yes. So please, please, please rate it 5 if you liked it. It literally takes a lot of effort to control this kind of session because so many questions are coming up. I do not want anyone to even rate me 4. If you like the session, please rate it 5 because all the efforts only means success if you are rating it to the fullest, guys. Okay. If you like today's session, if you love today's session, please, please, please rate it 5 because then only I will understand that I was of full value to you guys. In tomorrow's session, also, I will be doing a full recap. That is my promise. But please make sure if you like today's session, rate it 5 because it literally took a lot of effort to keep on speaking for 4 hours, to keep on taking your questions and all these things. I tried my best. So sorry if I couldn't, but literally I tried my best to make sure that all of you are satisfied with today's session. I hope you like today's session. Till then, thank you so much. I will be sharing my LinkedIn profile again with you guys, just in case you missed it. Please make sure you are rating it 5 if you like today's session because only 5 rating justifies all the efforts, guys. If you think I have done full efforts, please rate it 5 because only rating 5 justifies all the efforts. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are literally superb, amazing audience. I like literally enjoyed it throughout. How the rating will be coming? It will be coming in front of your screen. Please rate it 5 if you like today's session, guys. It means a lot for me. Okay. Okay. I hope you guys like today's session. Thank you so much for praising my efforts. You can praise my efforts by rating it 5. Please make sure you're filling the feedback form, rating it 5. I will be showing you the whole setup again, just in case some specific part is not working for you, Ankur, or anyone. We will be doing it again tomorrow. So it will be working. Okay. Don't worry at all. Okay. All the best, guys. See you again. It will be fun. See you guys again tomorrow. Right? Perfect. Okay. Please rate it 5. Please, please, please. If you like today's session. See you guys again. Please rate it 5 if you like today's session. Thank you so much for attending today's session. Thank you. Have a safe day. Bye bye. Thanks, everyone. Bye bye. I gave you bonus. I'll give you bonus tomorrow also. Okay. Bye, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll have to rest a lot because literally 4 hours I talked. Yep. But seeing all the feedback coming in, I'm really happy that you guys are rating me so well. Thank you so much. Please rate it because that is very much important. Your rating means a lot for me. Okay. Please rate it 5 if you like today's session, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. All the best. Bye bye, guys. Thank you. Yes, you can drop off. Thank you so much, everyone. You can drop off now. Thank you. Thanks, everyone. Thank you. Thanks for attending. Bye bye. Please fill the feedback form if you haven't yet. Thank you so much, everyone. Please rate it 5 if you like the session. Thank you so much. Okay, team, can we end the poll now? Thank you so much. Thanks, folks. Thank you. Okay, perfect. Thank you, guys. Thanks, folks. Thank you.